I may be pardon to make mention, if your lordship permits, then I will have a small submission, my lord. If your lordship permits.
What do you say?
Sub-item 3, my lord. A date may be fixed, my lord.
No. The taking of
Only because the matter is pending for last 6 years, my lord. This is Jarasaya matter, my covered matter. Covered by your lordship judgment, my lord.
Please wait. We may take it.
Date may be
Please
fixed.
wait. We may take up for some time. Please, অপেক্ষা করুন তো।
Yeah. Oblige, my lord.
Yes, the first matter is procurement of 128 slide CT scan machine for radio diagnosis department of SC Medical College. Professor Satpathy has filed an affidavit. Is he available?
Is he available? That affidavit, the clarification that in law that sought for is at para 3 on it's at flag 450. I have the hard copies, ma'am. Let's give immediately. 450. Again.
Please come to paragraph number 10. Upon the issue 128 slide CT scan machine. That is now ready for delivery. You have mentioned it. What would be its cost to your professor? Have you got any idea? Please unmute yourself. Professor, have you got any idea what is the cost of this 128 slide CT scan machine? Please unmute yourself.
Sir,
Yes.
my lord, the price is approximately around 12 crores.
Huh? 12 crores.
12 crores.
Okay. What you have mentioned in paragraph 10, I think Mr. Nayak and Mr. Das, I think the copies are.
Yes, sir, correct.
Upon Lekhijanti, that it is further submitted that the remaining 128 slide CT scan machine, which is ready for delivery, was actually intended for the SCB redevelopment site delivery of the said CT scan machine will be taken and the machine will be installed based on on-site readiness after completion of the redevelopment program of SCB Medical College Hospital, Cuttack. Now, nobody knows that when that will be completed. It may take 2 years, 3 years, we do not know. Now, if it has reached you or likely to be reached, let us say, so the obviously there would be a warranty period and it would start from the date of delivery. It is our, we just want to discuss with you. Then if that will be installed there at the redevelopment site after 3 years, then it may that warranty period may lapse in the meantime. Then what is the purpose of for availing this 128 CT scan machine, which is the cost is 12 crores?
Sir, the machine has not started from its origin, that means from the factory. So the status of the warranty period has not started. And once to start a machine, this CT scan machine and say X-ray machine, we need an AERB clearance. Then only the machine will start from the factory. Without AERB clearance, the machine cannot start from the factory to be delivered. So for AERB clearance, the building has to be ready. Then we have to upload the photograph of that building or the room where it has to be installed. Then the AERB clearance will be given. Once we get the AERB clearance, we give that clearance, AERB clearance certificate to the vendor. Then only the machine can start from the factory. So,
Professor, one thing we just want to ask you, that you yourself have stated that these machines which are available, that is not only being utilized by the patients of SCB Medical College Hospital, but also by the patients of City Hospital Cuttack and Shishu Bhavan Cuttack.
sir,
That was your statement, we have recorded it. So since this Shishu Bhavan has now have a specific building, so this machine cannot be installed here. I just want to ask you and the government, anybody is present from the health department?
Today probably no one is there.
I'll take it. Because this superintendent CB professor says that now because that lack of infrastructure, which is this machine cannot be installed as well from my lord, whether this can be installed in Shishu.
Most of the time you see, I think complaints come that machine asichi khato khauchi taku ବ୍ୟବହାର କରି ହଉନି. So a type of complaint madhya ase. So what we say that if it is a 12 crore machine and it is ready for delivery, that means you have to just to create some infrastructure. And if that can be made available at Shishu Bhavan.
And manpower running of that machinery, that's why because it requires expertise to run that machine also. It's not like running a very like a photostat. It's not a photocopy.
Anybody is there in the top?
Dr. Misra, I think, is there.
Dr. Prabhakar Misra is there.
Mr. Misra.
Sir, namaskar, sir.
About the scanning thing, we are told by the professor on the other day that even the patients of Shishu Bhavan are also sent because this machine is not available to SCB Medical College, and even City Hospital patient also used to go to there. So this machine, suppose it is made ready and it is for lack of space and let us say some experts are necessary to carry out the operation. Suppose the State Council, of course, will take instruction from the government. Can a space be provided in the Shishu Bhavan for installation of this? Because you are sending the patient, that problem would be, if the government agrees, of course, that is.
Sir, namaskar, sir. Sir, in our hospital, we have old OT, and that area has been earmarked for installing of CT and MRI. So the old OT will be shifted to the new building, and that is modular OT. We have taken charge of that. So we can install in that old OT area.
And then another thing, we are just seeking the assistance of both of you. This 128 slide CT scan machine that will cater to the need of pediatrics also.
Yes, sir.
Yes, that's, we have noted down.
My lord
This
was
is very
also,
high-end CT scan machine. It can cater to anything.
All right.
my lord was also inquiring about the manpower, whether they have technical resource persons in Suvavan.
That-
No,
that
even if they
manpower,
have not
you see,
that-
anyhow, we are running it in PPP mode.
My last occasion, they also filed an affidavit. They are saying that the CT scan machine will also provided to the tissue. They are also in process.
So, no, there is need there.
Manpower is not there, man.
What we understand, Mr. Das, is that the machine is ready for delivery, but because of lack of space in
Right.
SCB, because of the modernization, that is not coming. So if that machine can be diverted to Shishu Bhavan, subject to the
new buildings, they have space.
subject to the concurrence of the government.
Yes. That's no
Government
problem.
can, because both are
Only problem is the
two arms of the government.
only problem is the manpower.
No, that is. Manpower, they have to. Manpower, those training, manpower, those things are ancillary, not intrinsically connected with that. They have
Because
to-
Professor Mishra also telling that in that old.
New building.
No, in the, where now that can be utilized for placement of, that is to be renovated and of course, subject to availability of the manpower. That is possible. It's not that it is not possible. But it depends upon you,
Well, I'll
just
take
take
instruction.
instruction.
I'll take it.
Just,
Taking into account the affidavit of the professor, Satpathy of SCB MCH, with in charge superintendent, that because of infrastructural issues, the 128 slide CT scan machine, which is cost around 12 crores, is not, cannot be readily installed there. This court inquired from Professor Mishra, the superintendent of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, of the Institute of Postgraduate Institute of Pediatrics, as to whether this said machine can be installed in Shishu Bhavan. Professor Mishra intimates this court that so far as space is concerned, that won't be a deterrent. Hence the state council is requested to explore the possibility of installing that 128 slide CT machine, which is otherwise ready for delivery in Shishu Bhavan, since admittedly patients from Shishu Bhavan are also being referred to SCB-MCH, and this court is informed both by Professor Mishra and Professor Satpathy and Professor Mishra that the particular machine can also cater to the needs of the pediatric patients. The Learning Council for the state is called upon to obtain instructions in this regard and intimate this court on the next day. We will inform the.
My lord.
And also providing manpower for the same. Now, next is that CCTV camera.
My lord, I have instructions regarding that, my lord, so I'm just handing over. And what has it, right?
Okay.
Second. The second point, my lord, so Romans, small t.
What are stated here?
The superintending engineer R&B Division 1 has been requested by the office letter number so and so dated 16/8/25 for installation of CCTV camera with audio and video recording at suitable locations of radio diagnosis department and regional diagnostic center to ensure effective monitoring, scanning centers, and prevent allegations of patient diversion to private clinics. This office has been communicated by the department concerned, that is the R&B department, that the installation of CCTV cameras in the radio diagnosis and RDC has been started and likely to be completed within 10 days.
Annexure 1/7 ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ଯେ କୋଡ୍ 7 ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି annexure 1
এটা নয়, এটা সেটা।
ଆଉ କୋଉଟା ନା
এটা ଲାଗି সেটা লাগি সারিছি।
ଓ ଲାଗି ସାରିଛି ସେଟା ଆଚ୍ଛା ଆଚ୍ଛା
ଏଗୁଡାକ ଏଇ ଯୋଉ annexure 1 ରେ ଯୋଉ figure ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି, this has already been installed.
Already been installed at those locations.
Apart from that, these cameras are to be installed.
Installed, my lord.
So 10 days means we'll place this matter after
After Puja vacation, my lord.
Okay. So that will be right. Now, display board, what it is mentioned here.
My lord, it's there, my lord. Point number 3, the point that is not there is that tender for the display board has already been made, I believe, my lords, according to my instruction, the 13th of this month. And within a month, they will be installed. Those are my instructions.
So again, we are placing it after Puja holiday.
My lord.
And you are to give us
I'll
report.
give an update.
The display board this matter also.
The tender has already been made. I've just got those instructions. That is not there in the
Council for
instructions.
the state informed that the tender has
It's
been
already been called, miss. On the 13th.
13/9.
13/9.
13/9/2025, and to complete the tender process.
My lord.
it will take
And
one-
installation will
and
take about a
installation,
month.
it will take 1 month.
My lord.
1 month time. This matter on such answer, the status of installation of such answers shall be intimated to the board on the next date. Okay. तापर असला complaint oblique suggestions portal.
That's already been implemented, my lord. Designated mobile number and email ID has been displayed near the complaint suggestions box. The box is there.
So Naik, how many complaints you have received?
That's the
No,
superintendent
what
in
is
charge.
it, what is that number? You tell us, we can mention in our order.
My lord.
Can you give it in a slip
I'll give it in a slip, my lord.
so that we can mention email ID as well as
Both, my lord.
mobile number for people's awareness. It is reflected where? The you upon question display is mane kouthi?
Exact location
May I come in, sir?
Yes, yes, please, please.
Sir, as per the honorable court suggestion, we had given the photograph that there is a suggestion box in the CT scan room, in front of the CT scan room. And just near that CT scan room, we have displayed that mobile number and the email ID.
No, Professor, somebody wants to place it in writing. So that the writing pad and that pen etc. must be available there.
It is available.
It is available. And of course, this email ID is also there. So he may give the mobile number, he may complain it email ID, and he may also write it in and put it
Put
in.
it in the suggestion.
So these two numbers you please give
I
us.
will give.
This mobile number and email ID.
Immediately.
Okay.
Follow. What is the follow-up of this, Professor?
Sir, we have not received any complaint yet.
Oh, wonderful.
No written complaint, no mail complaint, no telephonic complaint. Because we are able to do all the CT scan. in the-
Professor, when you actually put that box, we just want to know.
Sir, on the last hearing, just before the hearing, we have given an affidavit and photograph that we have lodged that in the month of July, sir.
Achha, so July means it is almost 2 months have passed.
Sir.
That shows that everything is going on very smoothly.
Yes, sir.
In a lighter vein, Professor, the inferences are two. Either it is very good, where no complaint is necessary, or it is so bad that whatever complaint is made, nothing can be done.
Sir, we'll think positively, it is very
Please
good.
don't take it otherwise. It's just in a lighter way.
Sir,
No, we are really grateful to
Sir,
you.
actually, because of the installation of these two CT scans,
Yes.
we are able to complete the cases whichever are coming in the same day. That's why there is no complaint. Previously, we are not able to complete all the cases because we had only one operating CT scan. Now we are having 3 operating CT
Three
scans.
operating.
That's why you are able to complete all the cases.
हाँ, बिल्कुल। मोबाइल ना होता नहीं।
Professor Sarpati informed this court that after installation of the complaint redressal mechanism, after installation of the complaint and suggestion mechanism, as on date, no complaint has been received, and as and when any complaint or suggestion is received, the same shall be acted upon.
Any visit by the advocates committee?
Allocated time the plaintiff request to because difficulties are.
We said that, you see, कौन को कुहाइतला जे आरजी को जणेबे प्रथम
नहीं सेटा सर ठीक से
आरजी को जणेबे कोठी की जिबे आपण डिपार्टमेंट को तांकण इट इज टू बी दे आर आल्सो टू नो दैट आपण ए डिपार्टमेंट को जाउछन देन दैट
That on a particular date when you want to visit, if they have any difficulty, that is the reason why my lord is asking you for this to intimate our registrar general. So on that particular date, they may be having some difficulty or something.
Maybe
so
suppose you will definitely go on a holiday. They may have patient also, the huge number of patient on, let us say, on Sunday or on Saturday. So they may have some difficulty. So obviously RG will ascertain that whether on that day it would be okay or not.
Superintendent
Right, superintendent and the concerned department, the professor and HOD, the Professor Satpathy will take care of all these things, and then the date will be given to you and you can go.
So we will in the very first order itself.
That has been stated.
That has been mentioned. There should not be.
Second week of September, sir, some difficulties.
नहीं सेम आपण ये करंतु आपण डिसाइड करंतु आगे आपण जो जाइछंती यू स्किप ओवर दिट बाकी जो जिनसोडा फॉलो पाक्सन देखिबे आपण ऑब्वियसली बाकी जो डिपार्टमेंट को जाई ना जोड़ा कि आपण भाबुछंती जीवा दरकार लेट अस से मेडिसिन गोटे इंपोर्टेंट ऑन सो मेनी थिंग्स आर देयर आपण जाई कि नहीं देखंतु कोन प्रॉब्लम अछि किसी जोटा कि that can be also taken care of.
One of the very important and most sought after departments is
so far as 4-wheelers and 2-wheelers are concerned, you have mentioned that what are the places you are going to make arrangement for the devotees who want to come to that Chandi Mandir temple. So obviously you have selected one Union Club parking.
Sir.
Now that is meant for 4-wheelers. So
Yes, sir.
obviously the persons who will come from that Baxi Bazaar side, crossing that Stuart School, Stuart Science
Sir,
College,
sir.
that church, they will be asked to place the vehicles there, 4-wheelers.
Yes, sir. Yes,
So
sir.
how they will go from that place to Chandi Mandir, by walking or what?
Sir, we have requisitioned some for the elderly, sir. They are supposed to go by walk only, sir.
That is
But
the
we are
exact
also-
reason why we are asking
Yes.
you. So there
Sir,
may
we
be
are
some-
thinking about having a drop-in type of thing, sir, so that only driver would have to walk, sir, from there, because there is no other parking place in nearby vicinity, sir.
No, it's right, but this for this disabled persons or the elderly persons.
Sir.
So something has to be arranged from
Yes,
the
sir, we
parking
are-
space to that temple. So that is.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We are planning to put some battery-operated vehicles, sir, preferably a smaller one, sir.
ये जो paragraph भीतर ये जो कॉलम भलिया कराइछि है ना एठी डाकी जो मैंने query was made by this court that जगह कोट school college page number 718 forest तेरी कोड ब्रैकेट देगी लिखियो उसमें
when concern was raised regarding commuting facility to be made available to the elderly and
Physical challenge.
And physically challenged, the DCP informs the court that they are to address such issue, they are planning to provide either drop facility to the vehicles in which they are traveling, or battery operated smaller transport will cater to their needs. The steps taken in this, the steps to be taken in this regard.
Just for it.
Yeah.
As it appears that the persons who are coming from the side of, let us say, Barwati Stadium to
Sir.
come to that Chandi Mandir, they will not, they have to park the vehicle in the Christ College.
Yes, sir. That junior college side, sir.
Okay.
We have also kept one backup in Cambridge School, sir. But since the that approval is not received, sir, we are waiting for the confirmation, sir.
So is there any arrangement, let us say there used to be heavy rush, particularly during that period, जो षष्ठी सप्तमी ठू आरंभ करी दशमी पर्यंत, तो आम मानकर जो भक्त मानकर आमे देखी जो पूरा बहुत समय धरी मां को सामना रे छिड़ाई रुहंती, that creates also a difficulty. Anything
Sir.
has been made?
Sir, we had visited the mandir, sir. Our entire team had gone, sir. आमे सर सेठी रे एबे ये थरे क्यूइंग रा ये करिछु सर, तांको ऑलरेडी आमे कम्युनिकेट भी करिछु सर जो टेम्पल एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन को कि दुई क्यू रही वो सर, गोटे साइड रे लेडीज मानकर गोटे जेंट्स रे सर, ता भीतरे जो दिन रश डे रही वो सर, in fact from the start sir will not be allowing any vehicle inside the temple premises, sir. So after they enter, sir, in between we'll keep some space vacant, sir. We have laid it out also. From there, they will enter into the queues, sir. One for the women and one for the male person, sir. So they will go to the mandir, take darshan. We'll be keeping some people there, sir, so that nobody stays there for a long time. And they will exit, sir. They will exit from the, I think, Hanuman temple is there, sir, on the back side. From that side, they will exit, sir.
So the entry route would be different and exit route would be different.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Both would be different, sir.
And obviously in the exit route also, you have to keep some, this autos or etc. that battery operated, because
Yes, sir. Those vehicles will be till that point, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, another difficult situation is that is one way. The people come from stadium side and also from Bakshabajar side. They'll go to Chandin Chowk. The road is very narrow. Se rasta
no, ଏଠି ଆମେ ଚଣ୍ଡୀ ମନ୍ଦିର କଥା କହୁଛୁ, ଯୋଉମାନେ
nahi, ମୁଁ କହୁଛି ଚଣ୍ଡୀ ମନ୍ଦିର
acha, let us be clear. So suppose somebody wants to go to the Chandin Chowk through Sheikh Bazaar,
Sir.
and he is not interested, let us say he is not willing to go to Chandi Mandir to have a darshan. So whether you will restrict the vehicle also, or there is a separate route for them?
Sir, that is the big challenge, sir. Actually, there are not many alternatives in the vicinity, sir. So what we'll be doing, sir, the earlier vehicles which were being parked in front of Chandi Mandir, sir, that will ensure that nobody parks that vehicle. But the throughfare, sir, we will have to allow, sir. Because
So
the Sheikh Bazaar side and everything.
the persons who intend to go to Chandin Chowk through Sheikh Bazaar, they will obviously they will allow to
We
park.
will have to allow
But
them,
the
sir.
persons who used to park the vehicles for this particular purpose to visit
Sir.
Chandi Mandir, they will be asked to park their vehicles in those 4 to 5
Yes,
places
sir.
which you have selected.
Sir,
Maybe
sir.
it may be 2-wheelers or 4-wheelers.
Yes, sir. Sir, we'll be setting up our control room in front of the temple itself, sir. So that even if some devotees come with their vehicle, they can drop their co-passengers and that vehicle will be moved to the traffic parking centers.
Sir, on a last occasion, sir, Lordship has in fact found out the problems. City semane line करके जिबे Chandin Chowk sir जो माने आसीबे से
ଚାନ୍ଦିନୀ ଚୌକ ରୁ ସେପଟେ ତାକୁ ଛଡା ହବନି ନା ଏଠୁ ଯା ୱାନ୍ ୱେ ଟ୍ରାଫିକ ନା
ତ ଚାନ୍ଦିନୀ ଛକରେ ଆସିବେନି ସେମାନେ ଶେଖ ବଜାରରୁ ଯୋଉମାନେ ବି ଆସିବେ ସାର୍ ରୋଡ ଇଜ ଭେରି ନାରୋ ସେଥିପାଇଁ ସାର୍ ଆପଣ ଲାଷ୍ଟ ଟାଇମ ଡାଇରେକ୍ସନ ଦେଇଥିଲେ ତା ପାଖରେ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ରୋଡ ସାର୍ ଟେମ୍ପୋରାରୀ ଖୋଲା ହେଇଥିଲା କେବଳ ଇମର୍ସନ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ
No, I think that route is a
one way
one way traffic.
ହଁ
One way, sir.
ସାର୍ କିନ୍ତୁ ସେଥିରେ ସାର୍ ରୋଡ ଇଜ ଭେରି କଞ୍ଜେଷ୍ଟେଡ ସାର୍ କୋଉଟା
No, we know that.
ସେଇଟା ପାଇଁ ଦିଟା ରୋଡ ସାର୍ ନହେଲେ ହବନି ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ରୋଡ ଟା ମଝିରେ ଯୋଉଟା ବ୍ରିଜ କର୍ପୋରେସନ
Space is not there. How can-
ଟେମ୍ପୋରାରୀ
Sir,
ସାର୍
Peter Road, there should be
There
adequate
should be
space.
adequate
for two.
space nahi କେମିତି ଦିଟା road ହବ?
ସାର୍
That two roads will create more problem.
ସାର୍ କେମିତି
Two roads with a divider, how you will?
Just what the Lenin amicus curiae is raising a concern. Suppose
Sir.
somebody, the relatives of those persons who are staying in that Sheikh Bazaar area
Sheikh
or
Bazaar.
near Chandni Chowk, they may select to use that road to go to the Chandi Mandir, which is
Yes.
otherwise prevented or not allowed for the persons who are coming from Sarawala Women's College side. So what will happen in them?
Sir, because that is in the vicinity of Chandi Mandir only, sir. So allowing two-way from that route would be difficult, sir.
No, no,
So
that
we
is
can-
exactly he's telling that. That
We can
may be
ask
not.
them, we'll ask them to divert from the other
Right,
side,
right.
come and do the
They
parking.
are to also come to Chandni Chowk and take that route and come to, even if their
Yes,
houses
sir.
are close to either, they may go on walking, that's it.
Yes, sir, they can go by
If
walk,
they
sir.
want to use the vehicle, they should come this way.
And that, for that narrow route, sir, we'll be keeping some cones on the roadside, sir, so that that vehicle doesn't, is not parked on that side, sir. So that remains free for the vehicular flow as well as the space between the cone and the, I think tin shed has been erected for the Mandar construction, sir. From there, people can walk, sir.
Mr. DCP, how people will commute from Chandi Chopper to Sutahat?
Cities are rasta achi, sir. They will take that thing,
No,
but
that
I'm not.
route is there. Once you cross the Chandi Mandir, there is no problem. You take
Yes,
a
sir.
left turn and go.
Yes, sir.
But you have to have adequate manpower to see that there is no clogging of traffic in that area.
We will not allow parking in that space, sir. We will allow the through vehicles. sir.
parking sir not
Vehicles will
problem
be
sir
allowed to
parking not problem
go on.
sir ସେଇ ଟାଇମଟା ଯୋଉ ଟାଇମଟା ସାର୍ ସେମାନେ ମେଢ ଦର୍ଶନ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ସାର୍ ଲକ୍ଷ ଲକ୍ଷ ଲୋକ ହେଇଯିବେ ସାର୍ ସେ ରୋଡ ଇଜ ଭେରି ଭେରି ନାରୋ
We know.
ସେଥିପାଇଁ
No,
ସାର୍
that is
ଡିସିବି should take a precaution otherwise sir
Sir,
stampede
we'll try our best, sir, but the circumstances are like that, sir. We will have to manage it. Otherwise, we
Yeah,
also.
one
that's-
thing, I think there used to be also some melody that is constructed over that road.
ଏବେ
Huh?
ସାର୍
One
This year, sir, it is not getting there, sir.
Okay.
ସାର୍ ସେ କହୁଛି ଯେ ସାର୍ ଯୋଉ ଶୈଳବାଳା ଓମେନ୍ସ କଲେଜକୁ ଲାଗିକି ଗୋଟେ ସାର୍ ଗୁପଚୁପ ବାଲା ମାନେ ବସୁଛନ୍ତି ସେଠି ବି ସାର୍ ଟୁ ହ୍ୱିଲର ମାନେ ପାର୍କିଂ ହେଇପାରିବ 50 to 100 କେତେ
No, they have selected
Sir, will.
5 places and
Seta.
obviously
Seta.
some places have been suggested by the Lenin amicus curiae. You please talk to the DCP. So
We
that
will examine, sir. We will examine. Actually, sir,
just
nearby to the
adjacent to
temple, sir.
you talk
Sir,
with them
sir,
at
sir,
any
sir.
point of time, Mr. So
Sir, we have the science block of the cellular.
There's some photographs also of what has been done. Those photos I have given.
Acha, please play the video. Is it available?
Available.
Good. Let us see.
ଦେଖା
ଏପଟକୁ ମାନେ ସେୟାର କରିଦିଅ ଯେମିତି ସମସ୍ତେ ଦେଖିପାରିବେ।
Sir, for the two-wheeler, sir, there is one nearby Shelabala Science College, sir.
No.
ସ୍କୁଲ କୋଉଟା କିରେ
ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ଗେଟ୍ ର
ଏଇଟା
ଭିତରେ
front ଟା।
arrangement ହେଇଛି।
ଇଆଡୁ ସାର୍ ଷ୍ଟେଡିୟମ ଆଡୁ ଆଇଲା ବେଳେ ଏଟା ଫ୍ରଣ୍ଟ
Okay. Any other photo is available?
ଏଇ
Okay.
ଯୋଉ ସାର୍ ହଁ ଏଇଟା ତା ମୁଖ
Exit gate, sir, eta, sir.
ସାର୍ we are talking about the traffic problem
Just let us.
ଏଟା ମନ୍ଦିର ଭିତରେ
Sir, these are the banners we have prepared, sir. Since the sessions are going on, sir, once the school holidays start, sir, हमें इटा सबू जगह रे ये करे देबो, sir. Publicize भी करी गो याको, sir.
हाँ.
Women's basketball ground.
Basketball
That is,
ground.
that is what you are saying, Mr.
Ah,
Das.
the
Sir.
huge ground is there.
Chalabala Women's College.
Partition to that.
Two-wheelers में अच्छी से लखा है
Sita nearby vicinity रे अच्छी
ସେପଟେ
sir.
share is
It is hostel ଅଛି hostel.
ସେଠି ସେମାନେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଯେ ଛୁଟି ହେଇଯିବ
ଛୁଟି ଥିବ ସେ ସମୟରେ
Only once the vacation starts. At that,
Because there is a ladies hostel.
yes, they all typically go home at that point.
Sir ସେଟା hostel ରେ ନାହିଁ sir ଆମେ science block ରେ ନେଉଛୁ sir ଖାଲି academic block side sir. It is on the
So kindly ensure that there is the inmates of the hostel do not. pay
yes
the-
sir yes sir.
Okay.
Sir.
That's all. Okay. DCP, please see the affidavit that is
Sir.
mentioned about this collection of fines somewhere you have mentioned.
It is on the page 6 sir. Paragraph number 6 sir.
sir ये जो affidavit असमान ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି
Paragraph
the difficulties of our shall talk to DCP सीधा सर से
हाँ।
आप स्पेशली
कि अब आपण जो DCP का affidavit अछि ना
हाँ सर
पेज 6 को आसन 6G को आसन ये जो आपण लिखिचंती that from 1st January so and so these are all in Cuttack city.
Yes sir, for the Cuttack city only sir.
So much of amount has been collected.
Sir, we are doing it continuously sir. Our
Ah,
towing
that is
vehicles are
right.
on the move sir. We have this enforcement.
This is flag, which flag?
This is my lord flag 452.
ଏଇଟା ପରା ଏଇଟା ଆଚ୍ଛା ଏଇଟା କେତେ ନମ୍ବର ଫ୍ଲାଗ ରେ ଅଛି
452 man.
452 ହଁ ଏଇଟା ତା ଦିହର ଏଇଟା ହଉଛି ପେଜ ନମ୍ବର 6
इलीगल पार्किंग ये तो सर कनिका छक जो इलीगल पार्किंग ता पे तो गोटे काहको फाइन नहीं
the amount of fine varies from this two-wheelers fine is different I think.
Sir, two-wheeler as well as four-wheeler sir.
Okay. No, this much of fine has been collected for illegal parking of this number of vehicles. So it's a good thing, but the people should be made aware that they should know that this is the fine amount collected. Otherwise,
Sir, on daily basis, sir, we are uploading it on our Twitter account also, sir, on the Facebook also, sir. Shortly after the CCTVs become functional, sir, then the enforcement even from the remotely also it can be done, sir. Since these
Especially
are
man on narrow lanes and streets when two-wheelers are parked on both sides of the road, it becomes a very difficult.
that was happening also in that urban heart area.
My lord. It is now across the city. Urban heart area is my lord in focus because it's a much bigger place. But narrower streets of Cuttack where Cuttack is of course.
Urban
home.
area now they are not allowing that. Now
Not
that's
allowed.
what is sir
Box train पाखरे पूरा
This
entire box train
There is a
last
system
time
of-
I have given your lordship the entire box train has been occupied and
I don't know
enclosed by
if we can impose that, but in cities for example, in Pune or in Bombay, we have one-sided parkings on specific days. So
on
Monday
anyone
we have,
day, sir.
So that is done in Chaudhary Bazar area.
it should be done
Sir.
across the city.
Marwadi Patti sir.
Because Cuttack is so small that that system may be implemented if possible. The DC will tell us. We should do it
Sir.
across the city.
sir ये जो
Sir, namaskar, sir. Sir, sir, we are going to try it, sir. But the issue in here, sir, I think we need to start it from the licensing part, sir. Because कोठी भी किसी parking रे arrangement नांदी sir. से लोक माना आसुचंदी आमर पुलिस वाला भी there is like हमें continuously pursued कला परे भी और जो space available अच्छी sir दुई side रे गोटे side will start it after puja in this Ranihat to Howrah motor wala stretch sir. Because that is also one of the most congested routes sir. But that ଆମକୁ ଟିକେ long term ରେ ଏଟା ନେବାକୁ ପଡିବ sir.
ଏମିତି immediate ନାହିଁ ଆପଣ ଗୋଟେ ଏରିଆ ରେ
Sir.
start କରନ୍ତୁ. It may create public awareness that would be
Yes.
that how obviously that ଏଇ space ଟା ଏପଟେ side ରେ ଏଇ ଦିନ parking ହବ ସେପଟ side ରେ.
Yes, sir.
Once the shopkeepers also are aware about that, they will ask no don't park this side, you go to that side. So that would make your thing, everything easy. So,
Yes, sir.
but let it start after Puja holiday. There is no.
Yes, sir.
sir, sir, ପୂଜା ଭିତରେ ସାର୍ ଇମ୍ପୋର୍ଟାଣ୍ଟ ଦରକାର ପଡୁଛି ସାର୍
No, it
କାହିଁକି ନା
cannot be.
ସାର୍ ଲକ୍ଷ ଲକ୍ଷ ଲୋକ ସାର୍ ଏ ଜାଗାଟା ହେଲା ସେ ବକ୍ସ ଡ୍ରେନ୍ ସାର୍ ହେଲା କେବଳ ସାର୍ ହେସେଲ ଫ୍ରି ପାଇଁ ସାର୍ ସେଇଟା ସବୁ ଅକୁପାଏ କରିକି ସାର୍ ଜବରଦସ୍ତ ସଣ୍ଡ
It may not be.
Sir, Puja Pai, sir, although it is not mentioned in affidavit, sir.
ହଁ ସାର୍ ପୂଜାରେ ଆକ୍ଚୁଆଲି
Pujari, they will not allow even any vehicle to park on the. What is the question of parking? ତାଙ୍କୁ କୌଣସି alternate side ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ ଯୋଉ କହୁଛନ୍ତି DCP ସେ ଯୋଉ ରାସ୍ତାଟା ଆପଣ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ନା ରାଣୀଆଡ ଛକରୁ କଣ
Sir,
ହାଉଡା ମୋଟର
Audam, sir.
ହଁ ସେଠି ତ ସବୁ ଗୁଡାକ ମାନେ ଇଏ ଲୁଗା ଦୋକାନଠୁ ଆରମ୍ଭ କରି ଅନ୍ୟାନ୍ୟ ଦୋକାନ ସବୁ ରହିଛି ଏ ଯୋଉ ବୋଥ ସାଇଡ ରଖିଦେଲା ପରେ ଦ୍ୟାଟ ଇଜ ଦି କନସର୍ନ ତ ମଝିର ଯୋଉ ସ୍ପେସ ଟା ବହୁତ କମି ଯାଉଛି ଯାହା ଫଳରେ ଯୋଉ ପୂଜା ସମୟରେ ମୁଭମେଣ୍ଟ ଅଫ ଦି ଭେହିକିଲ ମେ କ୍ରିଏଟ ଏ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ତ ତାକୁ କେମିତି ସର୍ଟ ଆଉଟ କରିବେ ଆଫ୍ଟର ସେଟା କରିବେ ସେଟାକୁ ମଧ୍ୟ ପ୍ଲାନିଂ କରିବା ଦରକାର
Yes, sir. Yes.
ହଁ
ଆମର sir ପୂଜା ପାଇଁ sir ଆମେ ବହୁତ ଗୁଡାଏ ପାର୍କିଂ ପ୍ଲେसेସ୍ ଆଇଡେଣ୍ଟିଫାଇ କରିଛୁ sir ଏ ବର୍ଷ ତାର କୋଅର୍ଡିନେଟ୍ସ ନେଇକି ଆମେ ଗୋଟେ ଆପ ର ବି ଚାଲିଛି sir in case if that is developed that would be available to citizens also.
all these routes should be one way traffic I think
Yes, sir.
one way traffic ହେଲେ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ କିଛି ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ହବନି ବଟ୍ ଭେହିକିଲ୍ସ ବୋଥ ସାଇଡ୍ ରହିଗଲେ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ହବ ତେଣୁ ତାଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ଗୋଟେ ଡାଇଭର୍ଟ କରି ଯୋଉମାନେ ଆସୁଛନ୍ତି କିଣାକିଣି କରିବା ପାଇଁ ତାଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ସୁଇଟେବଲ ପ୍ଲେସ ଯଦି ଆଇଡେଣ୍ଟିଫାଇ କରିଦେବେ ଦେନ୍ ଟୁ ସମ୍ ଏକ୍ସଟେଣ୍ଟ ଇଟ୍ ଉଡ୍ ବି ସର୍ଟେଡ୍ ଆଉଟ୍ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ
If we take a left from Mangalabag into Thuria side,
ସିଏ ତ ରାସ୍ତା
that road also both sides. ଗାଡି ଟେ ଯିବା
ମେନ୍ ରୋଡ୍ ଟାକୁ ଆଗେ ଆସନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ରାଣୀଆଡ ଛକରୁ ହାଉଡା ମୋଟର୍ସ ହଁ ତ ଦିସ୍ ଇଜ ଦି ମେନ୍ ରୋଡ୍ ନା ପିକ୍ ରୋଡ୍ ଟା ଯୋଉଟା କୁହନ୍ତି।
gradually my lord just to permeate across the city ଯେ
And,
କିଏ parking କରିବ
ସେଇ ରୋଡ୍ ରେ ମୋଷ୍ଟ ଲାଇକଲି ବୋଧେ 4-5ଟା ଖଣ୍ଡେ ମୂର୍ତ୍ତି ହୁଏ
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ତ
ସାର୍ ଛତ୍ର ବଜାରରୁ ଆକ୍ଚୁଆଲି ବକ୍ସି ବଜାର ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ସେ ଯୋଉ ବକ୍ସ ଟ୍ରେନ୍ ଉପରେ ସାର୍ ସେଇଟା ଯଦି ସାର୍ ଫ୍ରି ହେଇଯାଆନ୍ତା ସାର୍ କିଛି ଅସୁବିଧା ହୁଅନ୍ତାନି ଗାଡି ମଟର ସାର୍ ଏଣ୍ଟାର କଟକ ଟାଉନଟାରେ ପୁରା ଏକଦମ ଏସଏଲ ଫ୍ରି ହୁଅନ୍ତା କୌଣସି ପ୍ରକାର ଟ୍ରାଫିକ କଞ୍ଜକ୍ସନ ହୁଅନ୍ତା
ମୁଭମେଣ୍ଟ ହେଇପାରୁନି ନା କଣ
ନାଇଁ ସାର୍ ସେ ଦୀପ ମାଡି ବସିକି ସାର୍ ସବୁ ରଖିଛନ୍ତି
ହଁ କଣ
ଗାଡି
Parking କରିଦଉଛନ୍ତି
ଫାଡି
parking local ଲୋକ
ଦୋକାନ
ରାସ୍ତାରେ
ସାର୍
ଫିଟି ଗଲା ପରେ now the roads are I mean the road has become much wider
ସାର୍
so
କେତେ
they have
ବଡ
got that
ହେଲା,
much
ସାର୍?
space so they are all parking their vehicles
ଓହୋ ସେଇ ୟା ଉପରେ ପୁରା ପର୍ମାନେଣ୍ଟଲି ଗାଡି
ସେଇଟା ସାର୍ କହୁଛି ସେଇଟା ସାର୍ ପେପର ବି ବାହାରିଥିଲା ଯେ ଏଣ୍ଟାର ବକ୍ସ ଡ୍ରେନ୍ ୱାଜ ଏନକ୍ଲୋଜ ବାଇ
what do you say
sir ସେଟାରେ ରାତିରେ ତାଙ୍କର ପର୍ସନାଲ ଭେହିକଲ୍ସ ପାର୍କ କରୁଛନ୍ତି sir ଡେ ଟାଇମ ରେ ଫାଇନ ଭିତରେ ବି ଆମେ ସେଠି ବି ବହୁତ ସାରା ଡ୍ରାଇଭ ନେଇଛୁ sir ସେଟାରେ ବି ବଟ୍ ଦ ପ୍ରାକ୍ଟିକାଲ ଯୋଉ ତାଙ୍କର ବି ଇଏ ଅଛି sir ସେଠି ପାର୍କିଂ ସ୍ପେସେସ୍ ନାହାନ୍ତି sir କିଛି ବି ତ ଆମେ ଇଏ ଅଡ୍ ଇଭେଣ୍ଟ ରେ ଟିକେ ତା ଭିତରେ ଏଇଟା ବି କନସିଡରେସନ କୁ ନେବାକୁ ପଡିବ sir ମେ ବି ଅଡ୍ ଡେ ରେ ଗୋଟେ ସାଇଡ ଇଭେଣ୍ଟ ଡେ ରେ
ରାତିରେ ପାର୍କିଂ କଲେ ଚଳିବ ବଟ୍ ଦିନ ସମୟରେ ବା ସନ୍ଧ୍ୟା ସମୟରେ ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ଅକୁପାଇ କରି ରଖୁଛନ୍ତି that is the complaint that could have been also used by the vehicles in passing through the but ଯେହେତୁ ସେମାନେ ପୁରା ପାର୍କିଂ କରିଦଉଛନ୍ତି ତା ଉପରଟାରେ ବକ୍ସ ଡ୍ରେନ୍ ଉପରେ so movement of vehicle cannot be made so ସେଇଟାକୁ ଟିକେ ଚିନ୍ତା କରିବା ଦରକାର
yes sir yes sir
ସାର୍ ମଙ୍ଗଳାବାଗରୁ ବକ୍ସ ଟ୍ରେନ୍ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ଯୋଉ ରାସ୍ତା
କୋଉଟା
ମଙ୍ଗଳାବାଗରୁ ବକ୍ସ ଟ୍ରେନ୍ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ
ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଘର
ଆମର ତୋରିଆ ଦେଇକିରି ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଯୋଉ ପଠାଣ ପାଇଁ ଅଛି।
ଭିତରେ ଆଉ କୋଉ ଆଉ କଣ
ମଙ୍ଗଳାବାଗରୁ ତାଙ୍କ ଘର ସାର୍ ଦେଇକି ରାସ୍ତାରେ ସାର୍ ବୁଝିବେ
ଗୋଟେ ତମେ କଣ ମୁସଲିମ ଯିବ ଅଛି ସେ ଗୋଟେ ଖାଲି 2ଟା ମୋଟର ସାଇକେଲ ଯିବ ଆପଣ ଗାଡିରେ ଗଲେ ମିନିମମ୍ 20 ମିନିଟ୍ ରହିପାରିବେ
ଏ ଶାନ୍ତି ହସ୍ପିଟାଲ ତ ଯାଇ ହଉନି
ଯିବନି ଯାଇପାରିବେ
ଆଉ ମୋ ଘର ଯାଉଛି ବହୁତ ଡିଫିକଲ୍ଟ
ମୋ ଘର କଣ କହୁଛି ସାଧ୍ୟ
ଚୌଧୁରୀ
okay now let us come to the next issue is
ସାର୍ ସେ ବକ୍ସ ଡ୍ରେନ୍ କଥା ସାର୍ ହେଲା କି ନାହିଁ ସେଇଟା ସାର୍
କୋଉଟା
ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ବକ୍ସ ଡ୍ରେନ୍
he has assured that
ସାର୍ ସେ ଅର୍ଡରଟା ସାର୍
ଦେଖିବେ ତାଙ୍କୁ ହଠାତ୍ ଗୋଟେ ଇଏ କଲେ
should be enclosed,
we
sir,
just remind it on the next day we have asked the DCP and he has taken note of it
Oh, sir.
what about this one this absence of street light and traffic control in the road leading from Jobra up to Biribati Taring what is the report
Lord, there is a development in the sense that from Jobra to
Anybody
Madhajpur.
from CMC
Yes.
authority? Anybody is present from
Commissioner is there.
CMC?
Commissioner CMC is there.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Sir, this is Commissioner CMC.
Any,
Why don't I have a look at this compliance report?
city engineer has filed an compliance report.
I'll just point it out.
Yes. Yes.
No, the first page after the forwarding letter, there's the first order number 295 dated 7/8/25.
295.
Again, the first page after the forwarding letter.
Please.
So regarding installation of street light at Taldonda Canal Embankment Road on right side, that is NH6 to Nuwa Bazar flyover, the work has been completed. However, substation charging is pending with TPCODL. They have assured to charge the substation within 2 weeks by observing all formalities. So this is one part. The second part is, my lords, installation of street light along left embankment of Taldonda Canal, this NH6 junction to Nuwa Bazar flyover, has not yet been started due to non-completion of the construction of top quay wall of the Taldonda Canal, which is being executed by the Mahanadi
Top
South.
key wall means what? What is the top key wall?
Both sides,
You just-
wall touch.
you-
The what that slants into the.
No. You see, madam, I think you can see that particular road.
My lord.
If it starts from that overbridge, the overbridge, National Highway overbridge, from that place till Naya Bazar, that another bridge is there.
My lord.
That road is totally dark. So at least till you complete it, some arrangement can be, electricity arrangement can be made, temporary arrangement. Ma'am, have you visited that place ever?
Sir, I have visited.
So the right side, you are making the arrangement, it's all right. It will take 2 weeks or 3 weeks, whatever it may be. But in the left side, from that road, the overbridge, which comes from the OMP side and of course goes to the link road side, from that place till Nuwa Bazar overbridge, totally there is no light. So till you make all these arrangements, cannot be any temporary arrangement will be made on that road, because there's a huge vehicles, a number of vehicles, two-wheelers, four-wheelers, that even if cycles, all these things, and totally pitch dark.
Sir, my assistant executive engineer of electrical section can say about.
Please, sir.
Sir, namaskar, sir. Sir, namaskar.
Please.
Sir, actually,
ଆମେ ଯୋଉ ରୋଡ ଟା କହିଲୁ ଆପଣ ବୁଝି ପାରିଲେଣି ତ?
sir,
ସେ
ମୁଁ actually visit-
ଗୋଟେ ପଟେ ଆପଣ ଲାଇଟିଂ ଆରେଞ୍ଜମେଣ୍ଟ କଲେଣି ବୋଲି ଆଫିଡେଭିଟ ରେ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି, that will be made functional, it's all right. ବଟ୍ ଆପଣ ଯୋଉ ଲେଫ୍ଟ ସାଇଡ ଟା କହୁଛନ୍ତି, ସେଇ ଯୋଉ ଓଭରବ୍ରିଜ ଯୋଉଟା ଯାଇଛି ନ୍ୟାସନାଲ ହାଇୱେ ର ଯୋଉ ଓଭରବ୍ରିଜ, ସେଠୁ ପୁରା ଆର ଓଭରବ୍ରିଜ ନୂଆ ବଜାର ଓଭରବ୍ରିଜ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ସେଇ ଯୋଉ ରାସ୍ତାଟା ଅଛି ତାଳଦଣ୍ଡା କେନାଲ ର ଲେଫ୍ଟ ସାଇଡ ଯୋଉଟା, ସେଥିରେ ପୁରା ଟୋଟାଲ ଲାଇଟ ହିଁ ନାହିଁ।
sir, total actually ମୁଁ visit କରିଛି sir, ପୁରା ସେ ମନ୍ଦିର ସ୍କୁଲ ପଛପଟ ଦେଇକିରି ଯୋଉଟା ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଆମର ଯୋଉଟା ଭସାଣି ବି sir ହଉଥିଲା, ଆମର ମାନେ ଖୁଦୁରୁକୁଣୀ ଯୋଉଟା ହଉଥିଲା ଭସାଣି, ସେଠି ମୁଁ sir ଯାଇଥିଲି। ଆମେ ଭଲଭୋ ଟାୱାର ଲାଇଟ୍ ସେଥିପାଇଁ ପଠେଇଥିଲୁ sir, କୌଣସି ଲାଇଟ୍ ଆରେଞ୍ଜମେଣ୍ଟ ନାହିଁ ବୋଲି। sir,
କିଛି ଆରେଞ୍ଜମେଣ୍ଟ, ଟେମ୍ପୋରାରୀ ଆରେଞ୍ଜମେଣ୍ଟ କରି ହବ କି?
sir ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ sir, NH16 ଟୁ ପାଖାପାଖି ସ୍କୁଲ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ସେଠି LT ଲାଇନ୍ ଅଛି, ତାପରେ sir କୌଣସି LT ଲାଇନ୍ ହିଁ ନାହିଁ ନା, ଓନ୍ଲି 11 kV ଲାଇନ୍ ହିଁ ଅଛି। sir ମୁଁ ଫିଜିକାଲି ହିଁ ଭିଜିଟ୍ କରିଛି ସବୁ ଯାକ। sir ଯୋଉ ଗାର୍ଲସ ହାଇ ସ୍କୁଲ ବ୍ୟାକ୍ ସାଇଡ୍ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ସେଇ ଜାଗା LT ଲାଇନ୍ ହିଁ ଅଛି sir, ତାପରେ LT ଲାଇନ୍ ହିଁ ନାହିଁ ଟୋଟାଲି ଆଉ।
ଟେମ୍ପୋରାରୀ ଆରେଞ୍ଜମେଣ୍ଟ ମାନେ ଯେମିତି ମନେ କରନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ ଲାଇକ୍ ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ଇଏ କରନ୍ତି ଡଙ୍ଗା ଭସା ସମୟରେ ଯେମିତି ବିଭିନ୍ନ ଇଏରେ ସବୁ ଲଗାନ୍ତି ହାଲୋଜେନ ଟାଇପ ର।
sir ହାଲୋଜେନ ମାନେ LT ଲାଇନ୍ ନାହିଁ, ଲାଇନ୍ ଥିଲେ ତ sir ଆମେ ହାଲୋଜେନ ଲଗେଇ ଦେଇଥାନ୍ତୁ। sir ଯୋଉଟା ଏମିତି ଆମ ଡୋମେଷ୍ଟିକ ଫେଜ୍ ସେ ଏରିଆରେ ନାହିଁ କିଛି ଆଉ। ଟୋଟାଲି ତାଳଦଣ୍ଡା କେନାଲରେ ସେମାନେ କଣ କଲେ ନା, ଟୋଟାଲ ଟାକୁ 11 kV ଟାକୁ ତାଳଦଣ୍ଡା କେନାଲ ଲେଫ୍ଟ ହ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡ ସାଇଡ୍ କି ସିଫ୍ଟ କରିଦେଲେ। ଖାଲି ଯେହେତୁ କୋଇ କନଜ୍ୟୁମର ନାହିଁ ସେଥିରେ, खाली 11 के भी ही अच्छे आउ किछि नाही सर कारण मु फिजिकली सर 3 थर ही विजिट करछि सेठी कारण सेटा समस्त ही कंप्लेन मते करूतले सेति मु सर 3 थर ही जाईछि कोन करि हो एटलीस्ट बोले गर्ल्स हाई स्कूल पर्यंत सर जो गर्ल्स हाई स्कूल अछि से पछपट बैक साइड पर्यंत एलटी लाइन अछि साइड हेतरे भी आमे 7-8 टी स्ट्रीट लाइट फिटिंग लगैछु सेति ही लगैछु सर आउ किछि नाही सेतरा
हमर जो रोड कंस्ट्रक्शन बेले आपण टेम्पररी लाइट्स यूज करछंती विथ बैटरी बैकअप
सर सेटा भल्बो टावर लाइट हम पाखरे भी दीटा अछि
Solar
सोलर
light.
इमरजेंसी फंक्शन रे हमें एटा भी बैटरी माने पेट्रोल ऑपरेटेड
That
अच्छा
can be, I think that can be sorted out. आपण sincerely ये करंतु जोठी हजार हजार गाड़ी आपणकर इवनिंग आवर्स रे जाउची लोकोडाको इंक्लूडिंग vehicles which are coming to SCB medical college गोटे रोड टा पिच डार्क अछि एवं reports have come about the robbery cases also in that two wheelers रे आसुचंती लोको तांको चेन स्नैचिंग होउची because there is no light. That is the main problem. And accidents are also going on. There must be some way out. What we found out. आपण एटा को start करिवे let us say December रे सी केबे सरीबो नेगेटिव आंसर दबा तो भारी सहज but find out the way out गोटे find out करंतु
सर आगे सर
आपको जीवा आसिया करियो सेठी पूजा बेले बहुत लोक आसियो से
hundreds of vehicles ए जो तारिणी पकु
हां
ସେମାନେ जो आसंती कटक को दैट इज दे आर नॉट टेकिंग टू नुआ बाजार रोड दे आसुना दी ସେମାନେ ସମସ୍ତେ ଏଇ ରୋड ଟା ଦେଇକି ଆସୁଛନ୍ତି
ଏ ରୋଡଟା नुआ ହେଇଛି ଏବେ ଭଲ
ହଁ ସେଟା ପିଚ୍ डार्क पूरा एंटायर रोड
स्नैचिंग भी सर होଉଛି ଏବେ
that is reported but
ଦରକାର ପଡୁଛି
नहीं से जो से टेम्पररी लाइट्स जो अच्छी व्हीकल से उड़ा ही परिवनी मिस्टर इंजीनियर व्हाट इज हिज नेम
to understand the concept
ये जो हमर रोड कंस्ट्रक्शन बेले आपन को जो टेम्पररी लाइट्स यूज होची ऑलवेज सेमतिया दी तीनटा गाड़ी सेठी रखी हबो की
सर हम पाखरे अछि सर दीटा गाड़ी सेटा किन सर पेट्रोल ऑपरेटेड
सो
सर सेमती रखिला बाटा पेट्रोल ऑपरेटेड माने कॉस्ट इफेक्टिव सर हबो कारण घंटा को 2 लीटर पेट्रोल से खर्च होची
we do not know anything petrol operator among लोक inconvenience होचंदी लोकंगर चोरी होची robbery होची accident होची
मिस्टर
there is no lighting arrangement and you are telling that the 2 liter petrol होची
मैडम कमिश्नर
Sir, we will work on
is
getting
finance a
some
hindrance?
solar. Sir, we'll work on getting some solar lights there. We don't have the electrical connection. Line is not there. So we'll work on getting solar lights there. We'll explore some options.
So try to explore this solar lights.
Yes.
That petrol being consumed for 2 hours or 3 hours, that can't be an excuse.
Sir.
replies are given like this please make the solar light arrangement on that road
Yes, sir.
You give us a feasibility report.
Yes, sir. We'll study. We'll explore the options about solar lighting, and we'll.
But because of this upcoming festive season, can it be done with expediency? Expeditiously, can you do it?
Sir, solar. We would have to talk to some agencies who can supply in time, but we would have to study, sir. We'll let you know by the next date.
ସେଟା କୋଡି ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି ଯୋଟା ଗୋଟେ ସାଇଡ୍ ରେ ନାହିଁ ବୋଲି
Nevertheless, this is at page 2.
page 2 page 2 ର କୋଡି ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି one side there is no total light ସେ ନିଜେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ମଧ୍ୟ
This entire work, my lords, what should be done until 15 December is on page 2.
no they have stated that on the right side there is arrangement the street light arrangement has been made but on the left side there is nothing see who would have lectured affidavit I think I had gone through it street light heading election so you brought it
My lords, this is para 2.
para 2
My lords, at the first page only, the
yes
second point.
wow
Similarly, another work, namely installation of street light along left embankment of Taldonda Canal, has not yet been started.
Right. This is more.
Non-completion of.
Right. This is right side ta kar diyechanti complete heigirani boli ta upper paragraph hai. Right side of the Noah Bazaar.
How much time you require, Madam Commissioner?
Sir, actually, for calling any quotations, we need a minimum of 21 days at least to finalize the tender. So first, we would have to study if any interested agencies who can supply solar lights are there around here.
Till you put those solar lights in place,
Sir,
at least for the evening hours till at least 10 o'clock or 10:30.
yes, sir.
Please explore the possibility if some other light can be put in place.
Yes,
Because
sir.
your engineer says the lights are there, but it seems he is concerned with the burning of petrol.
Sir, yes, sir. We'll coordinate, sir.
Regarding installation of the report submitted by this is by the CMC.
This was
The
CMC.
report submitted by the CMC deals with installation of street lights along left embankment of dealing with the installation of street lights along left embankment of Taladonda Canal within bracket NH16 junction to Noya Bazar flyover. It is stated that due to non-completion of construction work of top key wall of Taladonda Canal, no provision for lights have been made. During the course of hearing, it was brought to the notice of this court that the entire area is steeped in darkness once the evening sets in, and which is leading to many untoward incidents. And to address the issue, the commissioner the commissioner of CMC, who is present on virtual mode, has assured to look into it and make some alternative arrangement on emergent basis till lights powered by solar lights are put in place. Taking into account the urgent need, this could expect that some effective steps in this regard shall be taken, and the same be placed on record. The same be placed on record when this matter is taken up on next Thursday, that is 25th. We are taking this up on next Thursday, madam. So just see if some arrangement for the time being till you come up with that solar thing that you are.
Yes, sir.
Which will take some time.
Yes, sir.
For a certain period, even if not for the entire night, for the busy period from 6 o'clock or 6:30 till 10 o'clock.
Yes, sir.
For 3 to 4 hours at least a day, some arrangement can be made.
Yes, sir.
That road may be maximum 2 kilometers. It's not go beyond that. 1 kilometer, 1.5 or something like that. From this bridge to that bridge. That's.
Yes, sir.
Next is condition of roads and drains. Yes.
Again? Kind of.
We have asked the advocates committee to collect the information regarding the condition of the roads, the lights, etc., from the advocates of respective wards.
Sir, respective wards, sir, jaha sir report as to what I understood.
And that is to be given to the.
Sir, कोई जगह सर it's very alarming situation. Sir, आज ही कागज रे सर जहाँ सब बाहर ची मुझे दे आनी था दीदी ସାର୍ ସେଇଟା ଚାଲିଥାନ୍ତା କଣ୍ଟ୍ରାକ୍ଟ
ନାଇଁ କାଗଜ କଥା
କାଗଜ
ଛାଡନ୍ତୁ।
କଥା।
ଆପଣ ମାନେ ଦେଖିକିରି
ସାର୍ ଦେଖିଛନ୍ତି ସାର୍
ରିପେୟାରମେଣ୍ଟ
ସାର୍ କୋଉଠି ନାହିଁ
ଆମେ ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ କୁହାଇଥିଲା ଯେ ରେସ୍ପେକ୍ଟିଭ ୱାର୍ଡସ ର ଆଡଭୋକେଟ୍ସ ମାନେ ଲାଇଟ୍ ଆଉ ପର୍ଟିକୁଲାରଲି ଆମେ କହିଥିଲୁ ଲାଇଟ୍ ଆଉ ରୋଡ କଣ୍ଡିସନ ଉପରେ ଆପଣ ଦେବେ।
ପାଇଲଟ ମେ ରୁ କହିଲା ପରେ ବି ସେମାନେ ଆରମ୍ଭ କରିନାହାନ୍ତି ଇଭିନ ପେଟ ହୋଲ୍ସ ଟା ବି ଆରମ୍ଭ ପୁରା
ଆମେ କେତେ ଗୁଡା ଅର୍ଡରରେ ମଧ୍ୟ ୱାର୍ଡସ ରେ ଲେଖିଛୁ ଯେ ଏଇ ୱାର୍ଡ ର ସେମାନେ ରିପୋର୍ଟ ସବମିଟ କରିଛନ୍ତି ତାଙ୍କୁ ହ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡ ଓଭର ହେଇଛି ସିଏମସି କୁ ଅନ୍ୟ ୱାର୍ଡ ରୁ କଣ ପାଇଁ ଆସୁନି କଣ ପାଇଁ ଆପଣ ଯଦି କହୁଛନ୍ତି କଟକ ସାଉଣ୍ଡ ସାରା ଯୋଉ 59 ୱାର୍ଡସ ର କଣ୍ଡିସନ ଏଇଆ ତାହେଲେ ରେସ୍ପେକ୍ଟିଭ ଆପଣ ମାନେ ଆଡଭୋକେଟ କମିଟିରେ ଯୋଉ ଅଛନ୍ତି ଯୋଉ ଇଏ ମାନେ ସଦସ୍ୟ ମାନେ ସେମାନେ ତାଙ୍କର ଇଏ କାହିଁକି ଦଉନାହାନ୍ତି କଣ ପାଇଁ
ରିପୋର୍ଟ ଆମେ ଦେଇ ଦଉଛୁ ଏଥରକ ଆମେ
that is the problem
ସାର୍ ଆସିବ ସାର୍ ନେକ୍ସଟ ଡେଟରେ ସାର୍ ରିପୋର୍ଟ ଗୁଡ଼ା ସବୁ ଆସିବ
ସେଇଟା ଆମେ କହିଥିଲୁ ଯେ ରୋଡ କଣ୍ଡିସନ ଆଉ ଲାଇଟିଂ କୋଉଠି ରହୁନି ତାକୁ କରିକିନି ପ୍ରତ୍ୟେକ ୱାର୍ଡରୁ କଲେକ୍ଟ କରି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
24 ନମ୍ବର ୱାର୍ଡରେ ଆମର ପିଲା ଅଛନ୍ତି ଆମର ଆଡଭୋକେଟ କମିଟି ଅଛନ୍ତି ସେ ତାକୁ ବୁଝିବେ
If it doesn't inconvenience your lordship,
Just a minute, Mr. Das. So all the roads, most of the roads are by the superintendent engineer.
The main roads
Yes,
are all by the R&B divisions 1 and 2.
1 and 2. So what is the state of those roads?
Those are, my lords, now being repaired at a very fast pace.
So now what remains is the arterial roads.
The arterial roads.
Arterial roads comes under CMC.
CMC, my lord. That is correct.
So what CMC is doing there?
CMC city engineer is doing nothing.
what steps have been taken who is actually
वार्ड नंबर 6 इवन भी के प्याज में मरा हुआ
अच्छा,
गाड़ी
किए-
लेके पहुंच चुका
ଦାୟିତ୍ୱ କିଏ ସିଏମସି କମିଶନର କହିବେ ନା କିଏ
सीएमसी
ପ୍ଲିଜ
It's this city engineer CMC.
ସିଟି ଇଞ୍ଜିନିୟର
Yes, ma'am.
Very-
ଆସନ୍ତି ମେୟର ଆସନ୍ତି ମେୟର ସାର୍ ଆମେ ସାର୍ ଏପ୍ରିଲ ମାସରୁ ସାର୍ ଆମେ
in this arterial road any work has started about road repairing because the London Council of different wards are present they have stated that road has repairing work has not come in and the puja is likely almost it is closing
Sir, all the works that were sanctioned, the work has started. Sir, I'm getting the photos also. We have a WhatsApp group. I'm getting the photos also. If there is some specific list of works that have not been started, they kindly be shared with me. I will take it up.
you have in all the wards 59 wards the road repairing work and also the electricity light both
Yes, sir.
these works are on this is are on progress
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm regularly getting photos in the group, sir. I have the photos. If
you
any
do one thing
specific work
do one
has
thing
not been
please
started, the list may kindly be shared.
24
please hand it over to the ଆପଣ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଆପଣ you give it
Can you see one example at କଣ ଏମିତି ଫଟୋ ଉଠଉଛନ୍ତି
no you collect that Mr.
ଅଛି
ଏଇଠି ଆପଣ ଦେଲେ how they will
କଣ କଲ ସବୁ ସାର୍ 28 and also CDA ରେ ପ୍ରତ୍ୟେକ
रास्ता है
every road ସାର୍ ମୁଁ ଯାଇଥିଲି ସାର୍ 2
we
days
want Mr. Das we
Sir.
are repeatedly telling you that give the photographs give the details so that it can be handed over to the London Council for the CMC and that will go to madam will look into it madam is telling that any complaint is received I will definitely look into it and she is
Sir.
now monitoring all these things so what is the problem why are you not collecting when the advocate committee is there
Sir,
just collect and give it there
have a WhatsApp group
नहीं रिपोर्ट नहीं है रिपोर्ट नहीं है
Mr.
sir.
Das,
Ward wise.
this bench is we are sitting on 25th. So by 25th, at least by 22nd, today we are on 18th. By 22nd, at least give it to bring it to the notice of the commissioner or the council.
through the council for this ଆପଣ ମାନେ ତାଙ୍କୁ ସବୁ ଗୁଡାକ ମିଷ୍ଟର ନାୟକ କୁ ଦେଲେ ସିଏ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଫରୱାର୍ଡ କରିଦେବେ ମ୍ୟାଡମ କୁ ଦେବେ ମ୍ୟାଡମ ସେ ରେସ୍ପେକ୍ଟିଭ ଯୋଉମାନେ ଚାର୍ଜରେ ଥିବେ ଇଞ୍ଜିନିୟର୍ସ ମାନେ ତାଙ୍କୁ ସେଟା ଦେଇକିନି ସେ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ସର୍ଟ ଆଉଟ୍ ହବ
Sir, give us 7 days time, sir. It will be done.
may I be heard for a moment, your lordship?
Mr. Das, there is no 7 days because today is 18th. After 25th, thereafter we are all taking a break for the puja.
Sir, come
You should give it by 22nd. Tomorrow we will hand over soft copy to Mr. Naik.
next
Tomorrow.
day
Take his number and we'll hand over.
If it doesn't inconvenience your lordship, can I be heard for a moment?
Yes.
Mr. Patnaik is there.
Mr. Mishra, please.
My lords, my lords.
Please.
My lords, your lordship may kindly have a look at that flag 307. It is already there in the list. And we are suffering in this locality, we are suffering also for the last 4-5 months.
What are the problems?
The problem is that there is a pitch road. They wanted to dig it up completely and have it in the concrete road. That we have protested and the matter is before the commissioner. And nothing has been done. And in the last rains, it has completely washed up and then at least knee deep and waist deep water there, water logging was there.
ସକାଳେ ସାର୍ କରିଦେଇକି ପଳେଇ ଯାଉଛନ୍ତି ତା ଘର ଆଗରେ ସେ ସାର୍ ତାକୁ 4 ମାସ ହେଲା କହିଲା ପରେ ବି ସେ ସେଟା ରିପେୟାର ବି ହଉନି ନା କିଛି
Nothing is being done. Nothing is being done. 307 flag 307 is there.
ଏଇଟା କେତେ ନମ୍ବର
What is the number?
307.
307
Flag 307
କହିଲେ?
Again.
Just a minute.
Sir,
Flag 307.
it is there in para, I think page.
Just a minute.
Whose responsibility is that?
I'll just have a look at which ward, who ward ta
It is 16, sir.
Madhusudan Nagar.
Ward 16.
Madhusudan Nagar, ward number 16.
Yes.
So many persons have signed it.
Yes.
Did you get it, Mr. Naik?
I don't have this.
Flag number 307.
I'm seeing it, but I'll take it and I'll communicate.
You kindly look into it on the next date. You can take it up on 25th.
Again.
Please appear, through virtual mode, Mr. Mishra, on that day.
Sir. Definitely.
ଲାଷ୍ଟ ଅକେଜନ ବି ଆସିଥିଲେ ଫିଜିକାଲି
I had come also physically.
You the road repair for development. Issues relating to traffic lights for all. Condition of road is that. The gate of the street.
ପାର୍ଟି କରି ସେ ରହିଗଲା ଆଉ ଆଇଲେନି
मैं सीखी तो आर्ट कर दो लास्ट week कर दो
28 नंबर
ये जो पेज नंबर इसका हेडिंग रे पढ़ियो जो conditions of roads and drains है ना सही हेडिंग रे साथ बाकी देबे खाली 307 का flag 307 को flag 307 लिख दी हम सर डाक है ना
Madam Commissioner, how many engineers are monitoring these repair works?
Sir, we have 3 executive engineers, and under them we have 3 assistant executive engineers, and we have 14 Js.
So, kindly give us the list of these personnel and the areas under them.
Yes, sir.
We want to
will
know
provide.
who is in charge of which area, so that
Yes, we will provide the list.
by the next date, so that we can think of fixing accountability now.
Yes, sir.
My lord, when there is a heavy water flow and on the road over the road, we call to the Subhasis Sahoo, the executive engineer. He said, it is not my work. The sanitation department will do that work. When we call to them, they said it is the work of drainage department. Again, they said, you call to the city engineer. Now she is not receiving our call. The situation is such a manner, my lord, but road over rasta over pani challenge, even drain pani. Check shift only they are shifting to each other.
We'll see.
Yeah. What about this next issue is issue relating to the traffic lights and camera? And the letter has been produced by you. The copy region, the letter. So
I'll follow it up with the home department. It seems that camera falls under surveillance. The surveillance is a home department subject. So the Housing and Urban Development Department has said that they forward this request to the home department. I'll follow up with them. This is para 11 of that instruction, my lord.
You have that is 79/2025 instruction upon the agency.
My lord.
You have in the last paragraph you have mentioned that the file has been endorsed to the home department for necessary financial sanction
And release of.
and release of fund. What is the amount involved?
The amount is 53 lakhs.
53
53 crores. 53 crores, 73 lakhs, 61,428. Para 10.
Okay. CDA will ensure the completion of the work through the agency's funds. Okay.
Put it in November.
My lord.
Post of October.
My lord. My lord.
And take pursue it with the.
I will do that. My lord. I just received it yesterday.
Because Mr. Mahapatra says that all funds are drained.
Yes.
Funds are drained, but
That's what you said.
that is that we have managed it from another fund.
Madam is now in charge of
Both.
both CDA as well as.
So once the fund comes, then there will be no problem. Madam will look into it. Okay, the next issue is this असुरक्षित कौन सहर रे 700 असुरक्षित कोठा आदि कौन आसला इंस्ट्रक्शन
I have filed an affidavit to that effect, my lords. Along with that, the actions taken by R&B divisions 1 and 2 also is there. I will come into that.
What action has been taken? Any demolition has taken place?
Yes.
Or only institution of cases?
No, my lords. There have been 2 demolitions.
हाँ.
There.
Code election दिया अपने दीटा demolition वाला.
My lord, I am coming.
I think the report which you have submitted that these are all the mainly these government institutions are there.
My lord.
So what is the problem? असुरक्षित कोठा यदि government सेठी आउ function करूनी office गुड़ाको ताकि भांगिबारे कौन असुविधा अछि?
So vacation टा होइनी तो we now vacating the said buildings, issuing instructions to everybody to vacate.
Now obviously unsafe building रे कौन सी government office function करूची की?
Total
ଆପଣ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି ନା 221ଟା unsafe building have been identified with the page number 34 and where 219 belong to 8 public authorities.
I am giving a detailed follow-up action of what
ଆଉ
is
ଦୁଇଟା ବିଲ୍ଡିଂ ହଉଛି ପ୍ରାଇଭେଟ ର ତ 221ଟା ରୁ 219ଟା ହଉଛି ଆପଣଙ୍କର
government building.
ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ର
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ତ ସେଗୁଡାକ ସେଠି ତ ଆଉ ଫଙ୍କସନ କରୁନଥିବେ ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ଅଫିସ ଭାଙ୍ଗିବାରେ କଣ ଅସୁବିଧା ଅଛି?
ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ ପାଖରେ କିଛି ଅଛି କି?
Structure 88. So most of these buildings, the responsibilities with R&B divisions 1 and 2, they have already taken action. My lord, kindly have a look at it.
And the report was also given by the High Court Deputy Registrar has given the report. Sorry, I think he is the registrar. Registrar has given the report. Judicial is in charge of that. Is that Badambadi that is also declared as unsafe building.
Yes, my lord.
And you are not taking any steps. Once it is demolished, we can construct a new building.
ଗଛ ତାପରେ ସାର୍ ଓସ୍ତ ଗଛ ବଡ ବଡ ହେଇସାରିଛି।
ସେ ଷ୍ଟାଫ ମାନଙ୍କର କ୍ୱାର୍ଟର ହେଇପାରୁନି ଆପଣ ନ ଭାଙ୍ଗି ପାରୁଛନ୍ତି ବୋଲି।
Sir, a unsafe building रे about to make small commission my lord. Municipality office का जो main building था British time रो ସେଇଟା demolition ना that is unsafe.
ନା ସେ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ତା ଲିଷ୍ଟ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ତାଙ୍କର ଲିଷ୍ଟ ଦେଇକିନି କରିଛନ୍ତି ପୁରା 222ଟା ହଉଛି 21ଟା ହଉଛି ଅନସେଫ ବିଲ୍ଡିଂ ତା ଦେହରୁ 219ଟା ହଉଛି ଯୋଉଠି ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ର ଆଉ 8ଟା ହଉଛି ପବ୍ଲିକ ସରି 2ଟା ବିଲ୍ଡିଂ ହଉଛି ପ୍ରାଇଭେଟ ର।
Municipality building ଟା ବହୁତ ଦିନ ଅଛି ବହୁତ ଦିନ ତକ complaint ହେଇଥିଲା demolish କରୁଛନ୍ତି ତ କରୁଛନ୍ତି।
କିଛି ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ର କିଛି ଭାଙ୍ଗିଲେଣି ନା ନାଇଁ କରୁନାହାନ୍ତି କିଛି କରୁନାହାନ୍ତି।
ଗୋଟିଏ ଭାଙ୍ଗିଛନ୍ତି head municipal government school Bidanasi has been demolished. So now by 31/10 by the end of October
କୋଉଠି ଆପଣ ଡେଟ୍
2025,
ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି କହିଲେ?
my lord, may kindly take the first one, division 1. Division 1, the right hand column, my lord will see the dates, remarks.
ওইটা ଯୋଉଟା ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ଷ୍ଟାଟସ୍ ରିପୋର୍ଟ ଏଇଟା ହଉଛି ଷ୍ଟାଟସ୍ ଆଉ ବାକି ସବୁ ଆପଣ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଦେଇଥିଲେ
Municipality building ଟା sir କେବେ ଭାଙ୍ଗି
The status report relating to 221 unsafe buildings identified till date is submitted during the course of hearing is taken on record. In the remarks column of the said status report, it is stated, it is mentioned that the demolition of the buildings shall take place by 31/10. There are seven. What are these two?
My lord, there are two divisions. Some buildings are under division 1 and some are under division 2. Both of them have given separate reports.
Oh, that is correct. But this starts with
division 2 था उसी था अब एटा होची division 1 ना
आगे
अच्छा
567 is where is 1 to 3 serial number.
My lord is referring to
The ones you just passed on, Mr. Nayak.
I have passed on two separate instructions.
देखिए also देखिए हम and then we are making you query I should see what are the
In one, it starts with 5. We want to know the first page or what was.
My lord, it continues serially because what has happened is there was a meeting conducted by the sub-collector where all the stakeholders are there.
Sub-collector is here.
He's there.
Nodal officer.
Nodal officer should be here. The sub-collector is not here.
Okay.
No.
So under his office auspices, in the meeting, everything was discussed.
No, that's correct. That's a serial number that is there.
It is, division 2 starts from 1. That is why the confusion.
The other one serial is 5.
Yes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 it should have been.
Yes.
So 1, 2, 3, 4 is division 2 and then 5 starts from division 1. That is why what is the confusion has happened.
So the total buildings are 13.
Yes. My lords may take division 2 first so that
Yes, it has serial number 1.
Yes. My lord will see the remarks column at the right. An estimate has been framed amounting to 1,21,43,240 for dismantling of the structures and submitted to the Director Government Press by letter number so and so dated 69/25 of the SC Division 2 for deposit of funds for taking of necessary.
3110 is in respect of division number 1. Division number 1.
Yes. The deadline of 3110 is all those buildings are division 1. Division 2, my lords, there are still some buildings which have not been vacated.
Relating to division number.
It is division 1. Yes.
Relating to division number 1, it is stated that the buildings mentioned therein shall be demolished by 31/10/2025. And so far as the buildings relating to R&B division, Cuttack R&B division number 2. It is stated that estimates in all the 3 cases, estimates have been prepared.
The estimates have been prepared and number 1 and number 3. 2 is yet to be prepared.
Estimates have been prepared in respect of Director Printing, Stationery and Publication Odisha and Deputy Commissioner, Office of City and GST, Devurasai Cuttack.
The High Court buildings, the estimates are pending. I'll take instructions next date. I'll update.
As some of these buildings are still being under unauthorized occupation, steps are being taken to get them vacated and take necessary follow-up action. So far as the Office of Assistant Registrar, High Court of Orissa has got under whom 4 numbers of government quarters in the High Court Colony, Badambadi, Cuttack is concerned. The instructions do not indicate as to whether the estimates have been, evidently the estimates have not been prepared. The council for the, here, this is whose work is this? Government.
This is, they will prepare, my lords. The R&B division will prepare.
Land Council is
R&B Division 1 or 2?
This is 2, my
is anyone from two?
Oh, I had asked him.
R&B Division, anybody is there?
Division 1 is there, my lord.
Sir, namaskar, sir. I'm SC Kotak R&B Division 2.
He is from Division 2.
Sir, Division 2, sir.
ये जो ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଅଣ୍ଡରରେ ଯୋଉ ତିନିଟା ବିଲ୍ଡିଂ ଅଛି ଦିଟାର ତ ଏଷ୍ଟିମେଟ କରିଛନ୍ତି ଯୋଉ ବାଦାମବାଡିରେ କ୍ୱାର୍ଟର୍ସ ଅଛି ତାର କାହିଁ ଏଷ୍ଟିମେଟ କରନ୍ତୁ why are you not doing it?
ଆଜ୍ଞା ସାର୍ ବାଦାମବାଡି କ୍ୱାର୍ଟର ଅନସେପ୍ ଅଲରେଡି ସାର୍ ମୁଁ ଅନରେବଲ ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ ରେଜିଷ୍ଟ୍ରିଙ୍କୁ ଜଣେଇଦି ସାର୍ ସାର୍
କେବେଠୁ ଇଏ
ଏଷ୍ଟିମେଟ ଟା ଦେବେ
ଏଷ୍ଟିମେଟ ଦେଲେ ଡିମୋଲିସନ ହବ ନା କାମ ହବ ନୂଆ ହବ ସେ ଷ୍ଟାଫ ଗୁଡାକ ରହିବେ ତ
sir with all estimates and repairing estimates I am submitting by today or tomorrow sir for necessary discussion with by the building committee of honorable high court sir kali bhitram de
the what is his name?
ठीक है ना कहले now designation
Mr. SC, kindly tell us what is your name?
sir Jyotiranjan Patti superintending engineer.
The superintending engineer Shri Jyotiranjan Patti informs his court that estimate so far as the 4 numbers of government quarters in the High Court colony Badambadi Cuttack is concerned, the estimate for demolition and this is for demolition. There is no question of repair.
No, my lord, this is demolition. This is unsafe, so it has to be.
You are to demolish it, then High Court will take steps for
this estimate for demolition shall be submitted by Monday.
Yes, sir, by Monday.
By Monday, 22/9/2025.
Okay.
The estimate so submitted we placed on record to be taken up in the next sitting on 25th. You just place it on record.
I will place it.
Place it on record.
I will do.
Because so that necessary follow-up action we can
Absolutely.
take.
I'll get it. The city GST estimate is also there, since my lord is dictating the third building.
Yes, that we have already.
Ma'am.
1 and 3 where the estimate is there,
Ma'am.
we have taken it. Out of time. Thank you, Mr. Pal.
What about this BSWC drain of Cuttack? The report has come.
My lord had called for an affidavit to be filed. Certain clarifications my lord had asked for. No.
No, the have you gone through the report?
We have gone.
Now the government is certified that the
Paragraph 3 does that.
no, first see the report. What is it? We posed 4 questions.
My lord.
And the affidavit, we wanted the affidavit to be filed by the Principal Secretary, Housing and Urban Development Department, Government of Orissa. Now she has filed the affidavit, Madam Padi, and in that affidavit it is stated that VSSUT Burla has a well-established civil engineering and water resources engineering department with faculty so and so. Urgency of project execution, that is second reason. Local relevance and capacity building, that is far relevant. Okay.
Building road building, we are getting a civil so damage south.
Sorry, the DPR, have you filed?
DPR was earlier filed. I'll look at.
No, this DPR which has been prepared by, you said that Burla.
My lord. I'll recheck, my lords. I think I had submitted, that was long back, but I'll once verify and come back to my lords on 25th, and if it's not there, I'll file it.
And you intend to execute this work through whom?
Through the project management consultancy, who will come out with tenders now.
Who will be monitoring it?
The CMC as of right now.
Has the CMC got the wherewithal to monitor it? Watco or is Watco not competent?
Watco has carried out the. Let me tell you, take it.
Actually, it is a work of 496 crores. And most of the out of 5 drains, 3 drains comes under box drain. They do not have a capacity. I don't think the CMC can do it.
No, these box drains, who was constructing the box drain?
That was JICA assisted.
JICA.
Watco. Later transferred to Watco. Earlier being conducted by the storage board.
Entire money is now government. No question of JICA. Entire money, 496 crores, will be given by the government.
This is not JICA.
And they will give to the CMC and CMC will work it. In my opinion, because there is a concern of out of 5 drains.
Watco is also a government.
Yes, ma'am. Completely owned by the government over
Sir, CMC bhi kichi karne, he's not doing, sir.
Our city engineer having this only one engineer, city engineers and others. I hope that entire things will not come.
Sir, people are suffering. What will do the netflix?
Once
They
this
have got the infrastructure.
5 drains are
my
completed.
only humble submission. My only humble submission, since the question has been raised, the commissioner is here. Let her give a clarification what is the wherewithal and how the man.
Kichi city engineers shunu nahanti, kichi karu nahanti. Kete din suffer kariyo. Last year also we also requested to do all the things.
Mr. Naik, why don't you take up this matter with the government? We are not passing any order today.
We are just quoting what the report has come from Madam Principal Secretary. That should be there, but we are keeping this matter to some other day. You see, the government has earlier decided that it is to be done by the IIT. Now, the city engineer on his own, he sent it to Burla. Government is taking a stand now that Burla is all right, we have competent person, it's all right. But since the project cost is 496 crores, we do not know how it was prepared, whether because the fields inspection, all these things are necessary. And as you are told that this gradient issue is the main vital, as you are pointing out, otherwise it would be unsuccessful also.
Absolutely.
And how much time it will take for the IIT to vet it?
I'll take instructions.
If you give this project, let us say, for the second opinion, let us say, whether this report, when you have obtained a report from Burla, the project cost is 496 crores. Government has taken a decision earlier that it is to be done by IIT. Now this city engineer has on his own has sent it, and now government is supporting his stand. That's all right. But the thing is that whether the report submitted by Burla is correct or it needs some modification, something like that. That is why not the.
I'll take instructions, my lord. I'll come back and with all possibilities, I'll explore that it may be given for a second opinion to IIT Bhubaneswar also.
Right,
my lord.
And that it will take some time. It's all it's the realm of speculation and apprehension.
I'm aware, my lords. I'll explore that possibility.
And the second thing, you find out what is the difficulty in Watco executing the project.
My lord.
With the experience that we have with the engineering department of CMC, it may not be in public interest to assign the work to CMC. We do not want to pass any order on that. Since Watco is a government concern and the fund is being provided by the government, so what difficulty is there? And since the box drain is done by their expertise, we want the best thing to be done for the people of Qatar.
Infrastructures also.
I'll take it.
Infrastructures also.
I'll take instructions.
Kindly take instructions. We are not passing orders,
Melo.
but if you, if situation so warrants, we will pass orders.
Melo.
People are suffering. ସେ ତାକୁ କେତେ ଦିନ ଅପେକ୍ଷା କରିବ ସିଟି ଇଞ୍ଜିନିୟରକୁ ଧରିକି?
ଏଇଟା ଯୋଉଟା ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ଏଇଟା କଣଟା ୱାଟର ଲଗିଂ ଆପଣ
ଏଇଟା ସାର୍ ଯୋଉ ରେଲୱେଟା କାମ କରିବାର ଥିଲା।
ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ସାର୍ ଯାଇଥିଲୁ
ସେଇଟା ସାର୍। Sir, you'll be glad to know that.
have you studied this report this which are DPR which has been submitted?
No, we have not.
Why don't you give a copy?
I'll obtain copies. I'll obtain copies, Melo. I'll give
They have
them.
not.
ସାର୍
I'll give them.
କେବଳ ଉଠି ଯାଇଛି।
ନାଇଁ ସେଟା ଦେଇନାହାନ୍ତି
Yeah,
sir.
we are on this DPR which has been prepared by the
Stormwater drain. I'll get copies, Melo. I'll give the copies.
hand over
They have not, just now they have given a copy to.
that
DPR.
Right. They have given the affidavit copy they have given.
affidavit
we're
given.
not-
We are not only affidavit, we want that entire
Yes.
DPR should be studied
Let
properly.
them give, I will tell.
Just you may also take the help of your friends, sir.
No, sir, I will take care.
No, just seeing
Because
the project
one
cost is
box I have already done.
500 crores and the government has decided it is to be now it has been.
Sir, 321 crores fast.
No, it's all right. It has not gone.
Now it is 500 crores.
596.
No, 500.
So by the time it will, by the time the actually work will start, it will be 600 crores.
Regarding railway, sir, you will be glad to know, we have deposited about another 2 crores, totally 18 crores we have been deposited. I have gone to the site yesterday. The required materials, that is piling, has already procured in the site, and crane is in the site. The camp has been done. They are now doing the arrangements for tubewells. They will start the work. They have already started the work from 15th as committed. Previously, they were telling it will take 8 months.
Soils.
Now they are telling they will complete by March.
Paragraph 3 is important.
Onset building.
Paragraph 3.
ଗୋଟେ ଅଛି 7 ନମ୍ବରରେ ଆଜିକା କଜ୍ ଲିଷ୍ଟ 7 ନମ୍ବର ଅଛି ଡ୍ରେନେଜ କେନାଲ ନିୟର ମାତୃ ଭବନ ଇନ୍ସପେକ୍ସନ ରିପୋର୍ଟ ସେଇ ହେଡିଂରେ ରିପୋର୍ଟଟା ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ବୋଲି କରିକି ତାକୁ
ସେଥିରେ ସାର୍ ଗୋଟେ ଆନେକ୍ସର ଅଛି ଯେ ସେ କେବୁଲଟା ଉଠି ଯାଇଛି ଇଲେକ୍ଟ୍ରିକ ଡିପାର୍ଟମେଣ୍ଟ।
have you got the soft copy with you?
ସଫ୍ଟ କପି ସାର୍ ନାହିଁ।
ଲାଇଭ୍ କରିବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ ଦେଖି ତାଦେହରେ ଇମ୍ପୋର୍ଟାଣ୍ଟ ଜିନିଷଗୁଡ଼ା ନାମ ଦେଖି
Mr. Naik,
Melo.
kindly provide that DPR.
I will do that. Melo,
Mr. Mahanti.
Melo.
We are not
I'll give.
passing a note. Mr. Mahanti, you need a soft copy or how many pages the DPR runs into?
It will be a voluminous document, but yes, I'll get it.
Mr. Mahanti, we are totally dependent on you because it's a highly technical thing. You do not know.
I will take care.
So the reason why this court wants this to be rechecked by IIT is only for that. Because if there are some patent mistakes which has to be addressed in design or in the framework of education that has to be addressed.
I'll come to you.
And Mr. Naik, we never this. I do not understand this. There is no question of decrying local talent.
Well,
we do not appreciate this reference to local relevance and capacity building. No one is decrying the capacity of Burla.
Well,
Burla is known for it. It's not a question of Burla being undermined.
well, right.
The tenor of affidavit is as if we are trying to undermine the technical know-how of Burla. It's never the intention of this court.
Melo.
It is not that local for vocal. It doesn't come like that. Here we are dealing with a project which will be there for years and years to come.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
So we are compelled to err on the safe side.
Absolutely. Melo. Obviously.
intention behind it. ଆଉ କଣ ନାହିଁ କଣ ଯିବ ନା କିଛି ମାଲଫେଟେଣ୍ଟ ନାହିଁ। 2 ବର୍ଷ ହେଲା କଟକ ସହର we all are suffering.
So next is this Amo bus.
କାଲି ଗୋଟେ ସାର୍ ଆକ୍ସିଡେଣ୍ଟ
When will take up this matter?
Mr. Naik, please tell us when you want this court to take up this DPRA.
After puja melo
You get almost a month.
Melo, obliged.
We just want that, why not the ITA, sorry.
The second opinion, my lord, should be taken and should be vetted.
And you have time of almost a month now.
My lord.
So in between also you can send it.
Absolutely.
And request them to, you see, Mr. Mahanti. What is the lawmakers?
How much time it will take according to you? We do not know that what will be the volume of that to check the DPR.
Let them give it.
No, they will give it.
No, Mr. Mahanti.
Maximum 7 days.
By the IIT.
IIT, they will survey again, it will take a lot of time. Because it is rainy, now rainy, Dasara, they cannot do it. Because this college is vacation. Vacation.
That is
But if they will sincerely do it will take about minimum of 15 to 20 days.
15 to 20 days, it's day-to-day basis they do it. The government makes the request.
If they will take sincerely, it will take minimum 15, because about.
No, you are not getting that.
It is about 8,540 kilometers.
Yes.
Obviously.
So they have to do survey. My lord, first they have to take RL with the compass. Every drains RL nebe. Amar jo box stand re, jo to water level ta podibo, ta RL box stand re achi. Se ta upare podibo. Manakara RL ro box stand 5 foot tole pani jibo. That 5 foot upare se pani ta achi podibo.
Obviously.
So that flow will go. By the railway people will complete by March definitely. By 6 months they will complete it. So now once it is completed, some at least 1 or 2 drains completed, at least 40% water plugging will be over by next season.
Let us see.
Let us see that. Yes, Mr. Katkia.
The last affidavit file was that is at flag 377. The file of
your affidavit has is dated
18/7/2025.
right.
Prior to that, 2 affidavits on the file.
No, we latest one.
Yeah, that is what is at flag 377. What to the order dated 18/7/2025.
18/7/25. We have Mr. Sanjay Kumar Biswal.
Yes.
General Manager Swanso appeared through virtual mode, and Mr. Katkia, Land Council appearing for Swanso submitted that in the meantime steps have been taken for testing of the drivers by conducting breath analyzer tests, Swanso. Okay, and tender has been floated for construction of bus stop at the designated places to ease the difficulties of the persons. As per Swanso, Dr. Swanso has filed an affidavit dated 6/8/2025. That is the latest one. 6/8/2025 ର ଆପଣଙ୍କର affidavit ଟା 6/8 ତ ସେଟା କେତେ flag ରେ ଅଛି 377 ଡଲାର। That is dated right 6/8/2025। कौन आपण करिसेंती बा करियाको प्रपोज करछंती?
Yes, plus
Captain man ki you mean
drivers of the captains and conductors, their guides.
Right.
Yes. Plus, so far as breath analyzer tests are concerned, that is a para 3.
You have found also that the drivers are
yes,
taking liquor
action has been taken
while driving, and you have taken
action has been taken. And during that particular period from 1/11/2024 to 31st/7/2025, plus 14 captains, drivers were found to be under the influence of alcohol en route, but they have been terminated. And
This
16
breath analyzer is done every day.
yes, boss.
ନାଇଁ ଆପଣ ଚେକିଂ ଯୋଉ କରୁଛନ୍ତି କଣ ଆରମ୍ଭରୁ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ନା ମଝିରେ କରୁଛନ୍ତି?
ବିଭିନ୍ନ ଜାଗାରେ ମାନେ ସରପ୍ରାଇଜ ଚେକ୍ ବି ହଉଛି।
ଆଚ୍ଛା ଏଇ ଯୋଉ 16 ଜଣଙ୍କୁ ପାଇଲେ ଏଇଟା ମାନେ ଆରମ୍ଭରୁ ପାଇଲେ ନା ଗାଡି ଚଲେଇବା ଭିତରେ ପାଇଲେ? What do you intend to say? Suppose ଆପଣ
en route ଲେଖାଯିବ ନା
ଯଦି ଆପଣ ପଏଣ୍ଟରେ ଇନିସିଆଲି ଆପଣ ଚେକ୍ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ବ୍ରେଥ ଆନାଲାଇଜର ଟେଷ୍ଟ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ସେମାନେ ବସ୍ ଚଲେଇବା ପୂର୍ବରୁ ଯଦି ଇଫ୍ ଇଟ୍ ଇଜ ଓକେ ତାହେଲେ ବାଟରେ କୋଉଠି ଆପଣ ଅଟକେଇକିନି ସେ ସବୁ ନଉଛନ୍ତି ସେ ଜିନିଷ ନା ଗାଡିରେ ନେଇକିନା ଆସୁଛନ୍ତି ସେଇଠି କୁଆଡେ ଯାଇ ସାଇଡ କୁ ଇଏ କରୁଛନ୍ତି?
ସରପ୍ରାଇଜ ମାନେ
ଆପଣ ତ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି ନା breath analyzer test has been conducted right from the beginning. It is conducted. You are finding it is okay, then you are allowing him to fly the bus. ତାପରେ ଆପଣ ଏଇ ଯୋଉ 16ଟା କେସ୍ ଆପଣ ପାଇଲେ ଯେ ବାଟରେ ସେମାନେ ଏନ୍ ରୁଟ୍ ରେ ପାଇଲା ତାମାନେ obviously it presupposes that ବାଟରେ କିଛି ନିଆ ହେଇଛି ଆଲକୋହଲ।
ସେମାନେ ହୁଏତ ତାଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ରଖିଥିବେ ସେମାନେ ବଟଲ ରଖିଥିବେ ସେମାନେ ସେତେବେଳେ ଏନ୍ ରୁଟ୍ ଆମେ ତାକୁ ଧରିଛୁ।
No, why don't you frisk them when they board the bus? Frisk them. Checking କରନ୍ତୁ ତାଙ୍କର।
ଆପଣଙ୍କର ହଉଛି ସେଠି
ଚେକିଂ ରେଗୁଲାର ହଉଛି
ନା ନା breath analyzer ନୁହଁ checking physical checking of the captain।
ଆପଣ ଏଇଠି ଦେଖିଲେ ତାମାନେ ସେ ନିଜ ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ନେଇକି ଯାଇଛନ୍ତି ନା
ସେମାନେ ବସ ର କୋଉ ଜାଗାରେ କଣ ରଖିଦେଇଥିବେ
ନା ନା କୋଉ ଜାଗାରେ ନୁହଁ ବସ୍ ଟା ଡ୍ରାଇଭର ବସ୍ ଯୋଉ ଆପଣ ତାଙ୍କୁ କଣ କହୁଛନ୍ତି କ୍ୟାପ୍ଟେନ ବସ୍ ରେ ଗାଡି ଚଲେଇବା ପାଇଁ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଯିବେ have a physical check of physical frisking କରନ୍ତୁ so that they will not be carrying it with them।
human resource management କେତେ କଷ୍ଟ
ଆପଣଙ୍କର ନାଇଁ
Mr. Katkia human resource
the question of somebody's life ଆପଣ କାଲି ଆଜି ଯଦି 16ଟା କେସ୍ ରେ ପାଇଲେ ସପୋଜ ସେଇ 16ଟା ଲୋକ ଆଜି ଆଲକୋହଲର ଇଏରେ ଆସିକି ଆକ୍ସିଡେଣ୍ଟ କରିଥାନ୍ତେ ନମ୍ବର ଅଫ ପର୍ସନ୍ସ would have been injured or died. It's an important issue। ଆଚ୍ଛା ଆପଣ ପୁରା କଣ ରଖିଛନ୍ତି କୁଆଡେ ମନିଟରିଂ କରିବାକୁ ତାଙ୍କର ଆକ୍ଟିଭିଟିଜ ଗୁଡାକ କ୍ୟାମେରା
ସେ ଯୋଉ ସେଟା ହଉଛି ଆଜ୍ଞା ସେଟା ଗୋଟେ ଟେକ୍ନୋଲୋଜି that is fatigue monitoring system DFMS। all 70 buses ସେଟା ଲାଗିବା ପାଇଁ already tender process ଅଛି।
So as on date you don't have it?
No, we don't have it।
ସେଇଟା ହେଇଗଲା
of course our GM is there online।
The STA the state transport
no they absolutely they don't have।
ସେ କହିଲେ
has made a statement something also
on କରିଦେଲେ ମିଷ୍ଟର GM କୁ ସାମ୍ନା କଣ
संजय विश्वास।
So, Mr. Biswal.
Sir, namaskar, sir.
Namaskar. The affidavit which you have submitted on 6/8/2025,
sir,
it indicates that the 16 cases were found en route where these captains, which you are also called drivers, they were found under the influence of the alcohol. So, question is that if you are taking checks while they are going before flying the bus, then how comes that these cases were found?
Sir, actually, sir, we have got OD terminal at various places. Like in CDA, we have got a OD terminal, original destination terminal. We have another OD terminal is sir there at CNBT, Katak Netaji bus terminals. So there also we are having our checking squad and the RAT members, sir. So while the buses come to those stops, sir, in between, suppose it's the lunch time or in the evening time, there also we are having the random checks, sir. And everywhere breath analyzer has been provided to the checking staff, sir. So they are checking in, after outshedding from the depot, going to the OD terminals like CNBT, sir. Their random checks has been done, sir. And there we found the driver to be intoxicated, and we just terminated them, sir. They were just taken out of the buses. And secondly, sir, also en route we are having this vigilance squad team, sir. They are also having provided with the breath analyzer, sir. Sir, on the bus, on board they are going, sir, and they are doing the random checks, sir.
So suppose some driver is found to be intoxicated, you don't allow, obviously you will not allow him to drive the bus anymore. Then
No, sir. Sir, we are having 670 buses, and now presently we are having 1263 captains. That means each bus having two captains, sir. So that is mandatory. 1:2 ratio we are keeping, sir. So we have got two drivers. So instantly he is terminated or is not allowed to drive further, sir.
And the other one takes up.
Yes, sir. He takes up, sir.
So hypothetically, both of them are drunk.
No, sir. Such cases not been detected, sir.
So in the 16 cases, thankfully such contingency has not arisen.
No, sir. No, sir. Only single driver has been detected, sir. And now, sir, since inception and Honorable High Court's order, sir, after that November 2024, sir, this alcoholic test of this random test have been started. This alcoholic condition of the drivers is reduced drastically, sir. It has fallen down. So now, sir, in September we got just 2 cases, sir. Previously we used to get 16, 17 cases. In September only 2 cases.
No, very fact, Mr. General Manager, Mr. Biswal, very fact that you have detected 16 drivers, it's a good thing that there is some check and all that. And what about the speed?
Sir, as per the orders of Honorable Court, this vigilance squad, they are regularly checking the speed, because the speeds have been restricted to 35 for the electric buses and 45 for the diesel buses, sir. And during this period from November to 31st July 2025, sir, we have conducted 22,352 surprise checks by this vigilance squad, where they are boarding the bus. They're not only they're checking the ticketless traveling, they're also checking the speed, sir, simultaneously.
Mr. Biswal, is it possible, like the old cars that I do not know whether you know about it or not, that we used to call we put some governors.
Yes, speed governors.
Yes, speed governors. That is still there?
Yes, sir. All the buses have been, the speed governors are mandatory in all the commercial vehicles, sir.
If the speed governors are there, why can't you, through that governors, why can't you restrict the speed at this 35 and 45 as you are stating? Is it possible technically?
Sir, it is already done, sir. Now, after installation of speed governor, it's not possible for any vehicle to exceed that speed, sir. It is already done, sir.
So if it is not possible to exceed, then what checking of speed, sir?
Sir, since they are already boarding the bus for the ticketless traveling checking, so we have just instructed randomly they can see the speedometer if the driver by any chance, because sir, these are all instruments.
Mr. Biswal, if you have understood you correctly, you said that because of the installation of these governors, it's not possible for the captain to drive beyond 35 in electric and 45 in diesel. That's what we are told. If that is the issue, then question of driving at a speed more than that question doesn't arise at all.
Yes, sir.
Is it the case?
Yes, sir. They cannot do it, sir, because since the instrument is there, sir, it's not possible, sir.
What about this stress which are being caused to the drivers? We are discussing also, because after finishing their duties, they are going for some other things, like somebody is driving tempos, all these things. So maybe it is for the financial difficulty. If you increase that thing, the payment, then that can be reduced. So the thing is that if they are under stress and a driver is not having a good sleep and he works for so many hours, there is every likelihood of committing mistakes at the time of driving. It requires concentration, it requires calmness of mind, it requires stress-free. So we are told that they are also coming in auto rickshaws and to the bus stop and plying the vehicles, and again they are engaged in this taking this. So what is the problem? Can they not be done anything for them so far as this financial aspect is concerned?
Sir, the salary to the driver is being paid as per the Minimum Wages Act of the Labour Department, sir.
So now it is 612 rupees per day, sir, for 8 hours of duty, sir. 8 hours and 1 hour extra, so it's 9 hours duty. They are being paid 612 rupees per day, sir. So it is as per the Minimum Labor Wages Act, sir.
They are highly skilled.
They are highly skilled categories, sir. So we cannot exceed that, sir, because we are bound under the Labor Department Act, sir.
No, that is the minimum wages.
No, that
You
Yes.
can't give them wages below that.
Yes, sir.
There is no bar for you to increase the salary. Is there any way this stress is measured when a driver starts for his work?
Yes, sir. Sir, our buses normally starts from the depot by morning 5:30 a.m. The departure time is 5:30 a.m. The driver is to report at morning 5:30 a.m., sir. And sir, there first of all, we are having, sir, their oath taking. Oath taking has been made mandatory. Every driver will take oath before departure, sir. And their alcoholic test is being done regularly before outsetting, sir, because there might be some cases of hangover, sir. So that's why we are ensuring that all the breath allergy test is conducted, sir. Thereafter, sir, they used to board the bus and leave the bus with the guide, sir, the conductor, sir.
Alcoholic thing is not the only sole factor. So many things are necessary. Somebody has not slept, let us say, previous night. So he may be under stress. Somebody has some problem with that. So before handing over the key, so these things are required to be. Otherwise, not only alcohol is a problem. So many factors for which accidents are caused. So,
Sir, this thing has also come to our knowledge. After that, sir, we have already instructed all the operators to identify such drivers who are doing some extra jobs like having their private auto rickshaws. Some of them are also found to drive Ola Uber taxis, sir. So 5 drivers have been identified. They were driving Ola Uber taxi in the night because we have restricted the duty hours from morning 6 to 4, sir. After 4, nobody is allowed duty, no double duties. So after that, somebody has been found to drive Ola Uber taxis, somebody with auto rickshaws. And sir, surprisingly, we have also detected 2 drivers driving this sand lorries, sir, sand lorry trucks. So they have been discontinued, sir. And such type of things have also come to the notice, and we are on the job, sir. And we have ensured that whosoever is driving after going from the crew duty, he shouldn't do any extra duty in the night, so that that might be affecting the duty in the morning hours.
right, that is what we want actually. So, all right, we are taking. We are just keeping to some after some. Just to follow up that what is going on. We have accepted the affidavit and we are mentioning what is. So
that only plus to CMC will also can come paragraph 7.
Paragraph 7.
7.
That
is yes, that is BQS. That is boss Q shelters are required.
You have handed over a copy. Madam is there?
Copy.
What did you? Madam is available. What you have written here?
I'm giving extra.
Ma'am, the one affidavit has been filed by the then managing director Coot. Now he is also the.
He's there also.
So in paragraph number, I think that has also been handed over to your council, learned council. In paragraph number 7, it is stated that later number 3281 dated 25/11/2024 has been issued to the Commissioner CMC as well as Vice Chairman CDA for identification of suitable space for construction of boss Q shelters measuring 5 meters into 2.5 meter as designated boss tubs, and tender has been floated for construction of 153 boss poles as designated stops, finalized after a detailed survey by expert team. So what is the problem you are facing now? They are not allowing you.
No, that has not been identified.
Ma'am, that places are required to be identified. Of course, small places are there. So they require it. Have you received
Yes,
such a
sir.
letter?
Yes, sir. Sir, we also recently had a meeting with Mr. Sanjay Biswal, GM Crew, and in the meeting also we discussed the issue, the spots for BQS and also bus poles. We have the list, sir. I have assigned the task to my land officer, both of CMC and CDA, and we are on the job, sir. And we are in touch with the GM Crew, sir. In case of any issues, we are coordinating.
When do you propose to take the follow-up action, madam, on this? What is the timeline?
Sir.
Kindly give us a tentative timeline.
Yes, sir. Sir, I'll just take a review from my land officer regarding how many locations have been identified, and I'll update in the next hearing, sir.
The Commissioner CMC is referring to the letter dated 25/11/2024 of the CRUT relating to construction of bus queue shelters. States that the matter is being taken up with our officials, both of the CMC as well as CDA, and the timeline for the identification of bus queue shelters and steps to be taken in the said regard shall be placed on record in the next sitting. We'll take it up on 16, madam. We can take it up on 16. Madam Commissioner, will take it up on 16th of October.
Okay, sir. I'll get the updated list, sir.
And what is this pole that you're...
Bus poles
Sir, bus poles, sir, wherever there is a scarcity of space for construction of BQS, so we started putting up a bus pole. It is just, sir, I have got a design, I will submit before the court, sir. So there is a pole type structure with CRUT logo and, sir, with directions and the name of the bus stop, sir. So already, sir, we have floated the tender.
No, obviously that is the place where the bus will stop.
Yes, sir, that is the designated stop, sir.
That's the designated bus stop.
Yes, sir.
But no shelter, I mean, no overhead shelter.
Overhead shelter is not there.
Because of the location issues can't be provided.
Yes, sir. And sir, already 153 locations, sir. Out of 153 locations, sir, we have started the work in 40 locations. And sir, in 27 locations, sir, the concrete work has been completed.
We are sure, Mr. Biswal, you must have done it. But
yes, sir.
But see take a statistics of the persons who are getting into the buses from the places. Because sometimes we find that places which are from where most of the people are boarding the buses, there is no shelter. And shelter is there where there is hardly any traffic.
Sir.
So kindly look into it.
So wherever we'll get the space, sir, we'll definitely come up with a shelter, sir.
And these shelters that you are coming up, they are powered by solar.
Yes, sir. Those are solar powered, and sir, that is a very state of the art as constructed in Bhubaneswar, sir. The same model we are going with that. That is with road maps, everything. So light is there, sir, and it is a good shelter, sir. Bus queue shelters like Bhubaneswar, sir.
Anything else you have written, Mr. Katkia?
Anything, Mr. Katkia?
That is request, that is quite important. Other factors are there. Because
no, anything you want from other agencies, like in this case, the CDA and
CMC.
No,
CMC.
Their CDA's role is also there. The vice chairman CDA, of course, chairman is to consult with the chairman CDA, and no other issues in that. That was the important issue because we need spaces for construction of the
They
place.
said they will provide the space. Wherever it is possible, they will provide. Otherwise, in other places, you will put up those poles where the people will know that the bus
Yes.
will stop. The entire idea, the entire deliberation is to see that
There-
you
there
don't,
is one.
you don't make unauthorized stops.
Right, yes.
That
I
is
got that.
leading to traffic congestion.
I'll also communicate it.
Whoever is raising a hand, the bus stops. Let it not be that.
Yes.
So let it be designated places, so people will get used to it.
Right.
That they will get into buses from that place only. So that's all.
Right. The electoral issue, this point was three. Grievances of residents of neighborhoods like buildings, if there was a gate unauthorized, the council was appealed.
Yes, yes.
The vending was stop.
Just remind us next time.
Madam, my lord, in Maria Bazar residential issue, I have filed one interlocutory application.
No, we're taking up next week. So today there is no time. So
Your interlocutory application in support of the senior council's contention or opposing it?
Why not, that matter already decided by this honorable court.
No, that's a different thing. This is a third angle.
okay.
My lord,